What's up, guys? How's it going? You guys hear me? My camera's messed up. It's all blurry. My bad, guys. My bad. How you guys doing? You guys hear people? That's not possible. I see people. What are we doing today, guys? How's it going? Let me pull up CoinMarketCap. You guys hear me? I don't know. My camera's messing up. And you know, I'm not that good with the tech, man. I'm trying. I'm a business dude, man. I'm trying to make it work. Shoot. Hold up. I'm a mess today, guys. I need a haircut. How come I always need a haircut? What's up with that, guys? You get a haircut and then you think you look fresh, and then like a week later you don't look fresh no more? Look at this. Hey, man. What's up, guys? Hey, check it out. I got some merch. I got some Lampshade merch. And they didn't pay for that spot. No, I didn't charge for that. Let's see. What's up, guys? Let me say hello. How's my quality? Is it better? 14 people in the chat. I like that. Let's see. Flash-Mac, what's up, man? Buy the next dip or invest in another WWE championship replica title belt. That's a hard one. That's a hard one. I don't know, man. I might go with the title belt. Andrew Gibson, good morning. Hello. 10 people on the chat. What's up, guys? Sorry I'm a little late. You know, sometimes I run a little late. I'm on island time, man. I'm an island boy, you know? Tax Translate. What's up? How's it going? How's it going, guys? Feeling good? Feeling great? I'm gonna say what's up to everyone. We're gonna dig into some news, but I really like the vibe of the last stream. I don't know about y'all. I did. But we looked at some articles. We didn't like make it the main thing though. We just kind of chopped it up. Looked at some cryptos. I like that. We might do that again. We might just do that all the time. Let's see. Irrelevant to you, what's up? What it do, Scoob? Any thought on Sia Coin? Man, Sia Coin has been doing it. I'm glad for Sia Coin. Let's check it out real quick. Let's check Sia Coin out. Hold up. Oh, I'm not sharing. My bad. See that, guys? I'm getting like blurry. What's up with this? My screen's messing up. I'm blurry now? What the? All right. Let me share my screen real quick. I'm sharing the screen. Bang. Here we go. Sia Coin, right? $0.02. I mean, dang. This thing's going up a lot. But see, guys, look, like, yeah, it's gonna like obviously correct down, maybe do like resistance support, flip around here. It might even come back down here if like the market's unsure, but at some point it's gonna flip up here. And then look at this leg up. That's a big old leg up. You know, but I did like look into Sia Coin, guys, and it's not like very user friendly actually trying to use it, right? Like, how does it compete against a file coin? You know, I don't know. Someone tell me, fill me in. What's the difference? Because it seems like Filecoin's all over the place and Sia Coin's not anywhere. You know what I'm saying? Help me out though. Like, help me out. Why haters dislike? Man, because there's haters everywhere. They hate because we're sexy, guys. They hate that we're wealthy. They hate that we got these cryptos. They can hate from afar. They ain't part of the wolf pack. You can't let people get you down, guys. Can't let them get you down because they're losers, guys. There's always going to be losers. There's always going to be winners. That's how it goes. BitBoy. BitBoy. Jeez. KD. Late. No, you're not, bruh. You're right on time. Just in time to drink some coffee with the squad. See that? Am I getting old, guys? Do you guys even know what the Peanuts is? I be talking to people. They don't know what the Peanuts is. I'm like, what the hell is going on? I'm only 30, guys. Dang. Let's see. 18 people. What's up, guys? What's up? You know, like, this whole thing, this whole live stream is evolving as we go. You know, I didn't really have, like, any expectations. I had an idea about doing news. We're going to do some news, but we're also just going to talk about what you guys want to talk about because I got a lot of engagement last time, and that was pretty fun. Let's see. Good vibrations in the house. What's up? Getting coffee now. What are you guys drinking? I know it's late for some of y'all. Some of you guys be drinking that alcohol. It's all good though. Some of you guys been smoking that green. It's all good though. Let's see. Hold on, I'm almost done, guys. We're gonna get into it real quick. Paul Eastwood, oi oi. What's up? I think that means hello, right? Oi. Yeah, oh shoot, I saw Sean somewhere. Sean, where you at? Guys like to do this. I like to say hello to the squad. You guys, the Wolfpack. I gotta say hello. You made me what I am, which is just to do it on the internet. I don't even know what that means. Let's see. Hello, happy Sunday. Thank you. You too. Welcome. Okay, so I was blurry before. Yeah, I don't know. I got this new webcam, guys, and I was like trying to step my game up because you guys are hating on me for streaming at 1 frame per second. And like it's been giving me some problems only today though. I don't know. It's been fine before. But let me know if it like messes up. From my screen it looks okay. I got a monitor right here. I'm not ignoring y'all. I got a monitor right here, guys. Chill out. Paul Eastwood, Elastos is the coin I've got big hopes for. Hey, it looks like you guys have been digging into my altcoin playlist, my altcoin gem playlist. I mean, Elastos, 21 million cap supply. Merged mined with Bitcoin. Like, wrap your head around that. Merged mined with Bitcoin. So that means as long as there is mining for Bitcoin, which is the most resilient currency so far, Elastos is going to be okay. That's what? I didn't even know they could do that, to be honest. Can we get an NFT for that mug, LMFAO? Sorry, guys. It didn't say that. It was just the regular kind of LMAO. But anyway, NFT, I don't know. I think they got IP on this. How does IP work on NFTs? You know? Because I feel like this is like asking to get sued. Because I know the Peanuts, they be looking after the IP. But I've been thinking about that, guys. I got a bunch of like artist friends. Like I live down in the South, LA area. There's a bunch of the big art community out here. And I'm thinking about doing some like NFT stuff. Definitely like merch, like hoodies and stuff with like really cool designs because I like cool designs like that. Charlie Brown. Golden Eagle. Yo, DubDigital. I am still an EOS holder. I believe we'll pass all-time highs this year. Yeah. So that's the one coin I need to, well, it's OXT and EOS I owe you guys updates on. It's been about a month or two since I gave you an update. So my bad. But OXT, I'm trying to line it up to the private summit happening on Tuesday. Snowden's talking. Tell me that's not going to get some like price action. And then EOS, I got to get up to date what Dan Larimer's doing on his chain. And I'm going to roll that all into a video. It's going to be probably a pretty interesting video, just like my last one for Bullish. 27 people. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Thanks for joining the channel. Thanks for coming kicking it on your Sunday or whatever day it is. I know you guys are busy. I know you guys are real busy. Hey, Truth Network. I got some herbal coffee if you know what I mean. I know what you mean, bro. I know what you mean. Oh, I know what you mean. Let's see. Paulise was drinking Coke, I think. Paul, what kind of Coke? Just kidding. Hey, Sean, green for breakfast. Do what you got to do. Truth Network, Transchain #1. That's what's up. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. We're going to dig into the news in a second. We got some pretty interesting articles today. I wouldn't BS you guys. We got some interesting stuff, and it has to do with, like, it shows you big money, what they're doing, right? The retail investors talking about this is a top, but I just keep seeing big money piling in. We're going to see it. That's why I have this channel, man, because I used to just, like, tell my friends and family, like, hey, they're doing this, they're doing that. And they're like, yeah, whatever, DubDigital. Hey, now I got, like, birds of a feather flock together. I'm going to show you guys. Okay. Almost done. Hey, Dub, on the internet. Chuck McDonald, what's up? KD, yes, sir. Green and crypto in the morning. That's what you got to do. Hey, I love green and crypto is a good combo. Hey, dude on the internet. Found your EOS profile the other day. I loved it. Oh, you mean on discussions.app? Yeah. I'm out there, man. I don't have too many followers. I've been posting on that place forever, but I'm on discussions.app. I'm also on odyssey.com, guys. All my videos are backed up to that Odyssey page. If you guys like library credits or you guys don't like YouTube, you don't like watching ads, because I got ads on my channel now, you can hop over to Odyssey. Ain't no ads on there. And then you also get paid in library credits. I get paid in library credits. Or you can stay on YouTube and watch the ads. Whatever you guys want to do, I'm trying to give you guys options. You know what I'm saying? Is that Audio Technic? Oh, you mean the headphones? Yeah, man. I used to DJ in college and do some music production. I used to be a soundboard tech. So, like, I'm all into audio. If you guys haven't tell, I do a lot of audio processing on my videos. It's just a visual I'm trying to catch up on, if you can't tell. I think I've gotten, pretty far. 30 people on the chat. What's up? Okay. I'm going to stop right here. We're going to jump into the first article, guys. And then I'm going to just keep coming back. After a while, I might just not go back to the articles. We'll see how you guys are feeling it. Let me wet my whistle. My voice has been all cracky lately. I think I'm going through puberty. That's probably it. Let's see. Remove? No. Okay. Audio Technica. I ended on this comment. Cool. All right. BlockFi gets a $3 billion valuation with new $350 million Series D funding. BlockFi, dang. Look at that. They got their own like Bitcoin back rewards credit card. I think you get like what, 1%, 1.5% back on credit card transactions, which is wild because it's not triggering a a taxable event through a credit card purchase. It is through a debit card purchase. But this is cool. Also, Gemini is doing that as well, guys. They're also offering a Bitcoin's back rewards card. I think it's up to 4%. So I'm on the wait list for both these. You guys should check it out, New Jersey-based cryptocurrency lending firm BlockFi has taken on $350 million in Series D venture capital funding, one of the largest to date among blockchain and cryptocurrency startups. The deal increases the company private valuation to $3 billion, up from $435 million valuation when raised of 500 whatever. They raised a whole bunch of money. Okay, don't matter. The investment follows three prior rounds within the last two years, totaling more than $100 million raised from venture capital firms, including Galaxy Digital, which is Mike Novograd's investment arm. Susquehanna, I think I said that right, and Winklevoss Capital, which is obviously the Winklevoss twins' investment arm. So look, we got Novogratz, we got Winklevoss, we got Susquehanna. I think I've heard them before, right? The size of the round reflects our growth, the size of the industry, and the result of the size of the business that can be built in this industry. If you look at some of the constituents in the round, it's a testament to increasing institutional adoption and participation in the crypto ecosystem or crypto as an asset class by very high quality and sophisticated institutional investors. Bingo. Because guys, we always know, right? That crypto was like the fringe asset. It was like the alternate cyberpunk, libertarian. That's how I came in, guys. There's different phases, right? Early was the cyberpunks, then the libertarians were like, hey, we like crypto because we don't want to do anything that you guys tell us to do. We want to do whatever we want. That's the limb I entered in crypto, right? But now it's not just reserved for these fringe groups anymore and the weird internet nerds. It's also like attracting big money, like people with clout, people with credibility, people that have like done very well in business. It's legitimizing crypto as an asset just by who's associated with it now. So you guys are asking about like, hey, is regulation coming? Is it going to be bad for bad for crypto, good for crypto? Just look who's moving in, right? It's writing on the wall. Cool. That's all there is to it. 29 people in the chat. Where you at? What do you guys think? Let me catch up. Okay, then. Yo, Dub, what's OXT saying? Let's see what it's saying real quick. I'm going to hit you guys. That's my next video, OXT. Because OXT is like what? 85 cents? It's doing that resistance support. Remember, guys, if you follow my stream last week, I talked about how OXT's patterns of big old W occurring. That's accumulation pattern. This low is lower than this low. That's a higher low. We got to see how it occurs lately. I mean, moving forward, but like that's a good sign, right? This thing's breaking out. The all-time high reached in August 2020 was about 70 cents, more or less. We're above that. We're technically in price discovery now. This thing's going to come back. I think, not financial advice. I think it's going to come back a little lower just to retest because this is the ultimate like breakout point. Ethereum came back, more or less retested. Bitcoin did it more or less. Tends to be the psychology, right? But then after that, boom. And we have an event coming up this week that can cause that to occur. Oh, you guys can't see it. My bad. Dang. So, okay, W pattern. High 70 cents. Okay, we're up in price discovery. We'll probably come back down to retest. That's where the market looks around and say, "You guys cool? You get ready to go higher?" And everyone's like, "Yeah, I'm cool." And then it'll go higher. The thing I noticed about OXT is that it moves a lot off pump like pumpamental moves. Like that's why we have this big old boom. This was Anthony Port. What was Barstool Presidente or whatever? Telling Robinhood to get in. They did. Look at this. Now we have another summit coming up with Edward Snowden. He's a big household name. I can see another thing happening, another 400%, not financial advice, but that's why I picked this thing up at 25 cents. That's why I brought it to you guys at 25 cents. What's the latest on HBAR? Let's see. I think it's coming back down, right? I didn't sell on the HBAR, by the way. Why? Because it's a hedge to blockchain. I got a whole bunch of blockchain investments. I only got a couple non-blockchain investments. What happens if they are better than blockchain? I want to be in it. I'll take that risk on HBAR. But you can do whatever you want. Pull your investment. At some point, I probably will pull my initial capital. Yeah, see? Probably could come back down. And then we're going to do one of these. Maybe not as long. Because as the bull run goes on, like the accumulation gets less and less until it starts just going, that's what a parabola is. But right now, it looks like it's going to come back down, right? We had a dead cow bounce right here. It's forming like a descending triangle in my mind. Probably is going to get caught somewhere between here and then range, right? Hey, unless, Boeing comes out, makes a big old statement about incorporating their technology into their systems, then everything out the window. Like at any point in time, guys, a big piece of news could come and just dash all this charting, just dash it, right? It really would come. How would that occur? A big announcement in government, a big announcement in like an industry, like, you know what I'm saying? But typically those moves are front ran, and that's why it typically shows on the chart. Okay, JJ, yo, dude, let's check out RS20 live on chat. NFT for luxury market. Already got deals with Breitling and AP. Huh. Hold on. Is it on CoinMarketCap? Let's see. So this thing came out January. So it's new this year and it's up. Okay. Let's see. What's it about? The Digital Identity Consortium. Consumption behaviors are changing. New generations have a digital life of their own and demand the data privacy is increasing. If a brand could propose a modern way of owning their creations, what if thanks to technology, we could augment the ownership of goods? At Areni, is that how you say it? We are building perpetual relations between brands and owners made of trust, respect, and transparency. With Areni protocol, ownership is augmented and groundbreaking features are added to the most valuable items. It's a multi-chain token. Protocol is built on both Ethereum mainnet and sidechain of Ethereum called Power Network. including on both mainnet and Power, enables us to scale and protocol while benefiting for Ethereum decentralized finance infrastructure. Okay, I'm kind of having a hard time wrapping my head around this, but dang, I'm forgetting to put this up for you guys. But this is Irani protocol. Okay, this is what it's looking like right here. We have some volume sneaking in. This thing shot up to the sky, went from $1 to about $4, and now it's sitting at $3.60. Total circulating supply or max supply is 200 million. So that's not bad. It's not bad. That's just a little under the amount of Ethereum Classic. Almost 10 times the amount of Bitcoin. So check it out. Let me know a little more about it because it sounds interesting, but how are they working with like luxury brands? What luxury brands? I know I could dig into it. Actually, you know what? Uniswap Bixley. Does it have a website here? Real quick. I'm interested, guys. Why not? What are you guys doing? Hanging out, right? Let's see. Digital passport platform for valuables. I want to see members. I want to know who's in this thing. Richmond. Breitling. Manufacturer Royal. RSVP. Satoshi Studio. Unifab Lab. Lusco. I don't know, guys. I don't know many of these people. Let me know if you guys do. Is this something? What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay. Are we going to collapse on WAN chain? Smiley face? Collapse? What do you mean? WAN's doing okay. WAN's up like a whole bunch. $1.26. It might come back down to like $1.90. But then again, I mean, it depends when you got in. Will it collapse on like, you know, the Wolfpack was buying it around 30 to 50 cents. So it has collapsed to 90 cents. It's not as great as it's staying up, but hey, look, this line right here is at $1/90. I'm going to show you right now. Check it out. Look, see, this is the area of like resistance that this thing just broke above. It's been under it for the longest freaking time, like 2 or 3 years, right? It's coming back down. It's coming back down. We're at $1.26 now. But we know that this area of significance is at $1.90. For it to come back down and stay at that level, we need to see a hold. Because if it does, we know this is just the resistance support flip. Because when you're aware of what's happening on the macro structure, all these ups and downs, they have significance. They mean something. You know what I'm saying? So if it did resistance support flip, guess what? Everyone's freaking out. They're selling. But at some point, this thing's going to go on its mega tear up back to its all-time high. That's the next leg. That's one of the next legs. So like a lot of people freaking out. A lot of people are selling. They think WAN chain, this was just a pump for people to get out. They're getting out, getting their money right before the big move. Not financial advice. So will we collapse in the short term? We could. Will we go up in like mid to long term? Yeah. It's all about time horizons, man. We just hit Hedera hash graph. It might come down a little bit and then range sideways, just like we saw last time. It's very, very typical of that asset to move explosively, just like OXT, just like XRP, just like Stellar Lumens. There's certain assets that go like boom, jump up, come down. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to study putting you on background because you don't want to miss the juice. Hey, do what you got to do, Bubba, what up, brother Dub? What's up? How you doing? Chris, what's up? How you been? How you doing? How's life treating you? All right, let me do one more article real quick. We got some more people in there. 40 people on the chat. I like that. Let me take a drink of the WAN chain juice. It's vodka. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's see. JP Morgan Bitcoin exposure basket could be gateway drug for clients. That's a weird analogy, but okay. Let's see. JP Morgan giving clients a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through a structured note offering tied to a basket of stocks related to the assets. So, okay, look, guys, if you don't know, if you're new to crypto, JP Morgan, mainly Jamie Dimon, who is like head honcho over at JP Morgan, is like been hating like Bitcoin publicly for like the last 2-3 years, saying Bitcoin is a bubble. We got Warren Buffett saying Bitcoin's rat poison. Actually, Jamie Dimon telling his traders at JP Morgan, if you touch Bitcoin, I'm going to fire you. And also like publicly chastising I think his daughter or his son for buying Bitcoin. Now they're offering clients a way to get exposure to Bitcoin, not by selling or buying Bitcoin, but they're selling or buying stocks of companies like MicroStrategy, that have a lot of Bitcoin, like Tesla now. So, I mean, not going to say that they are hypocrites, but they're hypocrites. 41 people, what's up? According to U.S. Securities Exchange Commission filings, the notes do not provide direct exposure to cryptocurrencies, but instead are tied to JP Morgan's basket of 11 unequal weighted stocks that are directly or indirectly related to cryptocurrencies or other digital assets. The weights of the stocks in the basket were determined based in part on each company's exposure to Bitcoin and liquidity. Given that the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission has yet to approve a cryptocurrency-backed ETF, which is the real problem, guys. This wouldn't have to happen if there was an ETF or mutual funds of sorts holding 11 stocks. The market value of the note and payment are whatever. A common stock of MicroStrategy, Square, and common stocks of Riot Blockchain and Nvidia Corporation. Together, the four stocks of these companies make up 68% of the basket. Okay, so check it out, guys. MicroStrategy, Square, Riot Blockchain, Nvidia. I could add to that PayPal. Damn. Who else? PayPal. I know PayPal's got Bitcoin. I don't know. Whatever. We could come up with more. Whatever. But basically that's it, guys. Let's see. A cost a minimum of 1,000. Investors will be charged a basket deduction, basically a fee of 1.5%. They are structured so that at maturity in a year or so, you reap the gains or losses of the basket minus the fee. DIY investors can easily simulate the note by simply buying the stocks for a brokerage commission free. Bang. Bang. So, guys, look, if you're interested in this, you're interested in diversifying, not just in crypto, but companies that own a lot of crypto that benefit from crypto going up, hey, here's 70% of JP Morgan's basket right here. MicroStrategy, Square, Riot Blockchain, Nvidia. Bang. What do you think? I found your bullish video EOS profile. You understand it. EOS has everything built now, and the other chains are still trying to engineer solutions too. Yeah, I mean, I seem to like blockchains that move in silence, man. Like there's a lot of blockchains that talk a lot, yip a lot, and they don't got nothing to show for it. I like the projects that are building and not talking. Those are the gems. Because it's less risky to me, but like EOS, come on, man. You really think EOS is gonna die? It's too big to die. It's too big to die. Hey. Are you still holding? I'm bullish on EOS. What about you? Chris, am I still holding EOS? Yeah. I'm still holding EOS. I got all day. I literally got all day, guys. I took a loan out, a Bitcoin loan out to get a position in EOS, a large position in EOS. I'm not recommending that, but that's what I did. Yeah, I'm holding EOS, and I'm going to win on my bet. Guaranteed. Whether it's 100%, 300%, 500%, 1,000%, I don't know. We'll see. But it's just acting like a long. I'm treating it like a long position. I'm just gonna hold it, see how it goes. See, guys, like investing, guys. I just want to let's talk a little bit about the mindset of investing, right? You can't be so uptight about your money. Like investing is literally the art of throwing your money away and more coming back. Throwing it away and more coming back. But there's always a how do you say? There's always a tinge of faith involved with investing, right? Because it's not for sure. You might be thrown it away and it never comes back. At some point, you have to believe in the asset. You have to believe in the process, right? I believe in the process. EOS is lagging for sure. For sure. It's probably my most lagging asset that I've put a video out on. But I believe in the process, you know? It hasn't failed me yet. One day it might, you know, but I don't think it's going to be on this one. Jana. Hey, bro. What's up? Oh, dang. What's up? What's up? What's up, Jen? How you doing? Chris Miller, can you check out storage, bro? It seems to be extremely underrated and undervalued. It has been showing some strong signals in the charts. Yeah, you can check it out. You can check it out. Check it out. Why not, man? I'm just kicking it with the homies. With the homies. 34 people. What's up, guys? How you been? Crypto treating you okay? You guys all depressed from the market dropping? If you're new to crypto, hopefully you guys are just get it out of your system. Get all that worry out of your system. You know, all that like, oh my God, get it out. Just get it out. Because it's not helpful. It's not going to help you out. At a certain point, you're going to get so tired of stressing out about your money, you're not going to care no more. You're going to get like me. Oh, I lost money today? Yeah. You don't lose it till you sell it. You know what I'm saying? I worry so damn much. I don't got no more worry in me. Look at me. Oh, I lost money. Huh? You got to size appropriately. And, you know, the detachment helps you invest, guys. I'm telling you. Work on that. You're going to become a master. Okay, let's see. Meditation helps too, though. I'll tell you that. A lot of traders meditate. Okay, storage. Dang. Wow. Storage has been doing it. I remember storage was like down here, 16 cents. Shoot, because I did a lot of altcoin hunting around here, around this time frame. Okay, so like, look, same story. Storage is getting in a very important part of like this bowl shape, right? It's like at the base of the parabola where it starts making more aggressive moves. I want to see more volume building though. Like, look at this. Like, let me get you off here real quick. Look at this. Like, this is kind of like weird volume. Like, but look, a lot of people bought right here. A lot of smart money got in right here, right after this big old crash in 2020. Storage was at 13 cents, right? So just to let you know, someone bought a whole bunch and they're going to probably be dumping along the way. But with that said, I'd like to see more consistent volume come in here because we got a decline in volume and this thing's going up. So what does that mean? It's going to correct down at a lower point? It might, you know. But storage is quality. It's been around for some time now. Yeah, they went through the whole bear market, didn't die. They got a quality product. It's just that there's competitors. You know what I'm saying? Storage is another one. It's another like decentralized storage solution. So, hey, storage looks cool. I like the structure. You know, I'm not in storage, but from where we are, almost $1 to what? Almost $3. That's a 3x. Then it goes to price discovery. Unless you think storage is going to die, but it's been around for a freaking long time. That's what I got on that. Do I have a Telegram group? I do. I do have a Telegram group. It's on, it should be in the description of this video. It's called the Wolf Pack. Got like 100 people in there now. It's pretty tight, pretty tight. We just talk it up. We just chalk it up like this. We just talk about whatever. You know, what we see, what we think, what people think. You know, it's just chalking it up. Charlie T, CROTAFA. I got some questions about Crow. And I got another one I want to show you guys too, though. 32 people. What's up? I'm going to be dropping another altcoin gem this week on MHC. Not financial advice. I'm going to do that. I got people hounding me on it. And you know what? They earned it. They earned it. They earned a shout out. I gotta mention it, you know? I mean, Crow is in the price discovery. What's the supply on Crow? 30 billion? Jeez. But Crow, I remember when it was like nada. Let's see. What's it at now? 22 cents. Hey, I mean, this thing's in price discovery. Will it go higher? Probably. But it's in price discovery. It's hard to tell. But at this point, it's barely in price discovery. So from a probability standpoint, yeah, it's going to go up. At some point during the bear, it's going to come way down. Just so you know that, guys. Something's in price discovery. It's in uncharted territory, uncharted waters, which means like there's really no, the reason it goes up so high and down so much is there's no built-in support and resistance in it. It's just like guessing, pretty much, you know? So it's better to get an asset when it's low, under price discovery. It's good to get an asset when it's right at price discovery. It's not that great to get an asset when it's way in price discovery. So looking at Crow, hey, it's a good time. It's a good time. Not a great time. It's a good time. You know what I'm saying? But that's just how I get down, guys. There's a whole, and let me talk to you guys real quick. There's a whole like school of investing about like momentum. Like you want to get into the projects that are about to break out into price discovery because it's like you get huge gains, you can get out, you can move it, get huge gains, get out, can move it. That's another way, you know. But if you're anything like me, I'm lazy as hell. I don't like doing all that. I like to plant my my seeds and let it grow, baby. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. Let's see. Okay, let me do one more. We got some hot ones. This is important. Because the back project, you guys know that's like it's a big project in the works. It's been really lagging behind, but check it out. Bitcoin company back awarded bit license in New York. And if you guys know anything about like cryptocurrency regulation, New York has been like the hardest place to get regulated, basically because of the nature of New York, right? Stock market, Wall Street. Like, so for that reason, they seem to be the hardest to get like regulatory clarity and approval in. BAC just did that. BAC is like an exchange that's trying to eat all the exchanges. The Bitcoin-focused subsidiary of International Exchange, or ICE, right? Yeah, this is ICE, was awarded both virtual currency and money transmitter license. It's big. BAC, the Bitcoin, okay, got it from the Department of Financial Services, or DFS. According to an announcement from the DFS Superintendent Linda Lacewell on Thursday, the virtual currency license will allow BAC Marketplace, a wholly owned subsidiary of BAC Holdings, to offer its New York customers the ability to buy and sell digital currencies. The firm was also granted a money transmitter license. The license brings BAC under DFS supervision for its licensed activities. This approval provides additional virtual currency options to New Yorkers as the state continues to rebuild and recover. This represents a major milestone to achieve our vision of making digital assets accessible to all. And we're thrilled to continue driving innovation in the rapidly evolving industry. Whatever. It's getting boring. Look, I lost like 8 people off that. Boring. Okay, but check it out. BAC is huge. BAC is huge. And what's the significance of them getting regulated in New York? It's the same as the significance of the Winklevoss getting Gemini regulated in New York. New York is like the hardest place. If you can get it done in New York, you can get it done anywhere, right? Anywhere. It's basically saying like, hey, it's cool. You're as legit as the stock market's running here. If New York is okay with it, it's pretty much okay. I like that. And BAC is a huge exchange. Huge exchange. It hasn't even started going yet. There's going to be a war between the exchanges, guys. The centralized exchanges. They're going to try to eat each other. It's going to be awesome. And they're going to compete. And I see a world where they're going to compete with each other, trying to get you to do business with them. Oh, no, look, we're doing this. We'll get, okay, now you're back here. Like, BAC's going to try to eat Coinbase. Coinbase is going to try to eat BAC. Gemini is going to try to eat both of them. Like, you know what I'm saying? It really comes down to who's got more money. Interesting. I mean, guys, we went through 3 articles already. I don't see anyone acting scared with the big money about Bitcoin or digital assets. They're expanding. Follow the money. You know what I'm saying? 31 people. Truth Network. Let's pump DubDigital hottest crypto content. TFA on point as always. Thanks. Hey, can you guys hit that like though? Please hit the like. Helps me out. I like that. I get more subs. I make more content. I like that. We bring more attention to our favorite cryptos that none of your favorite big YouTubers are talking about. I like that, guys. You know what I'm saying? My neighbors probably hate me. I'm loud as hell. You need Odyssey in description. I do, don't I? I think I do. I put it in my template. I just use a template out of Google Docs, man. I just like, check it out. Isn't it there? Let me know. Hey, but here's my Odyssey, my link. Appreciate it. Thanks for throwing it up. We have had a look at Orchid. Yeah, we did. But I'm gonna hit you guys with a video. I got it. This is the week. I gotta hit you with the video. Right? Private Summit, Edward Snowden. Orchid wouldn't have all these speakers and not take advantage of it by announcing some stuff. And like these announcers, these speakers aren't free. You know what I'm saying? Seems like the perfect time for something to roll out. Moses, what's up? Yo, how's it going? Atari token could be big. Casino token for Atari's online casino. Hey guys, Atari. One, I'm a 90s baby. I love Atari. Gets me all warm and nostalgic inside. You know, but two, Atari's all up in the blockchain gaming, man. I like that. Atari said, hey, we're dropping the ball. We're getting all like ignored and stuff in modern gaming. How are we going to come back? We're going to pioneer blockchain. And guess who they're working with, y'all? They're working with freaking Sandbox, okay? You guys know about Sandbox? I'm going to show you guys Sandbox right now. You guys got some time? I'm going to show you Sandbox right now because I want to show you the Sandbox map. Because, guys, why do I want to show you this? Because it shows you who's in the Sandbox. Like what companies are expanding into blockchain gaming. Atari's all up in it. And Atari's partnering with Litecoin. You guys know that? I don't know. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you did. I'm drinking coffee. Guys, I get all weird when I drink coffee. Let me calm down. God. Okay. Sandbox. Sandbox map. Crypto. Okay. Give me a second, guys. Okay. I'm sharing. Get out of my face. Where's the map? Okay. Can you guys see this? Okay, let me do full screen. I don't want to sign in, man. Jesus. Okay. So we got CoinMarketCap. Look at this big old plot right here. And if you guys don't know about Sandbox, it's basically like the land is NFTs. There'll never be more. So people buy up these lands, okay? And then they have like plots where they can build things and games and get recurring revenue from. You guys have some money? You want to get some digital real estate in gaming and like develop it and set it up? You see a lot of these companies doing this, man. We got CoinMarketCap here. But then we got a whole bunch of other ones that are already sold out. We got a bunch of Sandbox. We got, I don't know. Hold up. Oh, look, game credits. Game credits right here. We got, shoot, my bad, guys. Atari, see? Atari's in here. Atari's everywhere. They're right here. 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 The big old Atari right here. Hey, Atari is trying to expand into this. Okay, get out of here, though. I don't want that. What else? Who else? We got a whale right there. This guy has bought up a whole bunch of stuff. Look, guys, I'm just saying, like, if you guys, there's a whole bunch of, like, opportunities in crypto. There's Smurfs, NFT Swapper. Binance is all over this place. 46 people. Look at Binance. Binance owns that whole bunch of islands, too. So I'm just saying, like, look, they bring up a good point. Atari's in here. There's a whole bunch of people in here. But let's talk about Atari coin. Let me get back to it. Did they have it on CoinMarketCap? Atari token. 30 cents. just released October 2020. Is this the official Atari? Yeah, it was designed by Atari Chain Ltd., a subsidiary of the video game and consumer electronics firm Atari Interactive. Hey, so it's associated with them. They have about 7 billion coins. So that's a lot, but this thing's at 30 cents. It's right above the price it was released at before it dropped. Interesting. We got some volume picking up here too. That's a very, very interesting look. But what do you guys think of this? I think this is pretty cool. Look, Binance, BitBoy. Look, BitBoy's right there. BitBoy's right there. Pokemon, Ash with the Bitcoin, Crypto.com. Okay, but you guys get the point. You guys get the point. I just, looking around. Roller Coaster Tycoon. You guys see that? And basically what happens, guys, what happens is like these people buy up this real estate. It's theirs. There's a Pong in here. There's a Tesla in here. I didn't even see those before. But you buy up the real estate, you develop the land, you put games on it. People go around like a roller coaster tycoon, just like an amusement park. They pay sand to play games. And in those games, you can win more sand or other prizes and stuff. So basically, it's like a virtual blockchain global arcade. Bang. That's tight. I like it. What do you guys think? 43 people. That was cool. That was cool. Let me see. Atari is trading on Uniswap. Uniswap. Okay, cool. I don't want to use Uniswap. Is that because of the gas fees? I get that. I just used it. I paid $60. Whew. It was hard to take, but hey, I was in the profit, way in the profit. But I got into a chain that's not on Ethereum, so I don't gotta do that again. I'm also getting out of Ethereum a little bit because I want to actively trade some stuff, and I can't on Ethereum, man. Can't do it. Hold up, I lost my spot. Kyber Swap. You guys been using Kyber Swap? You guys know about that? New to crypto? Kyber Swap is just like Uniswap. It's just like you can do limit orders and limit sells right from your ledger off it. I think that's super dope. Also, they've been working on their liquidity solutions. They're trying to be like a Thorchain-esque kind of thing, right? Like Thorchain, it hangs its hat on liquidity. Kyber Swap is an exchange and also trying to be a solution for other protocols for liquidity. So it also could serve as its own protocol for liquidity. I like Kyber Swap. It was the hottest thing, man. It was the hottest thing until Uniswap. I'm telling you, like people are sleeping on it or forgot about it. Yo, Dub, have you heard of Ocean Protocol? I have. I used to have some. I bought it off Swipe Wallet or Swipe the app, Let's see. That's a good one to look at. Ocean Protocol. I actually covered that way early in my channel. Like they were like working with, I think it was like Russia or something. Let's check it out. $1.52. Okay, so I got in this thing at 50 cents. I flipped it. It's going higher though. This thing's going higher. This thing's all up in price discovery. Volume's building. It's going up. I like that. If you guys don't know, here's what Ocean is. Ocean Protocol is a blockchain-based ecosystem that allows individuals and businesses to easily unlock the value of their data and monetize it through the use of ERC20 tokens. Through Ocean Protocol, publishers can monetize their data while preserving privacy control, where consumers can now access data sets that are previously unavailable or difficult to find. Okay, so this is basically the buying and selling of data, so a data marketplace. So if you guys know anything about like big businesses that use like AI and models and stuff, they train their AI through the use of data, consumer data. This is the same thing with like, you ever seen like the social whatever, that one thing on Netflix, the social dilemma, I think what it's called, where it talks about how you are the commodity. They sell your data to companies to better understand how they could attract your attention online, make your eyes move in a certain way, do all that. Well, in this place, you can essentially like monetize that data. You can collect data, sell it on an open platform, which is interesting because we're living in a data economy, guys. Data is like where it's at. Data is becoming more valuable than money because with data you can make money. You know what I'm saying? So Ocean Protocol, interesting. The chart looks hot. It's kind of high up. Chart looks hot. And just so you guys know, the reason I got into it where I did is because I saw we were approaching price discovery, right? Denied right here, fell down, came back up, showed that the asset was not going to die, a willingness and resiliency, came up again, knocked back down, but didn't go as low as this low. It came almost close to make a double bottom, but a little higher. And then we rose back up, and right around here, I got in, wrote it up. That was a momentum trade, right? I don't do a lot of money on those, but I'll take a chance once in a while, especially for like an asset that I know about. Okay. 40 people. Already an hour, guys? What the heck? Time flies when you're talking about cryptos. Sponsored by WanChain. This water is sponsored by WanChain. Let's see. Oh, hey, guys. So, you guys on the chat, you guys are the real ones. I share a little bit more with you guys before everyone else because you're the real ones. You come kick with the homie. Come on. You know what I'm saying? I got to give you guys a little something. So I'm going to give you a preview of a coin that, you know, I kind of like ignored for a little bit, but I got brought around. It was brought to my attention. It's pretty hot. And this is what my next altcoin gem is going to be. You guys are going to know before all my other following. That's why you should keep tuning into the live streams. But hey, I'm going to show you because this thing, like I like to find projects that float under the radar. This is MHC. I like to find projects that people, the team is very technically inclined. They're building, but they're not talking too much. So people don't know what they're doing. Okay. So let's take a look at MHC real quick. Just to give you guys, you know, I'm trying to give you guys a little sauce before you can act on it. You don't have to act on it. Not financial advice. MHC, MetaHash. So we looked at this before, and I had some people talk to me, share some insight. I'm just saying, I looked at some of the backers on this thing, and it was more impressive than I thought it would be. Brock Pierce. We got the dude from what? Token Metrics. Brock Pierce. We got some like Brock Pierce. That's all I need to hear. Right? But like, look, this thing back to all-time highs, that's like 600%. Okay? But basically this thing is a decentralized browser. Okay? And it's called hashtag. Like MetaHash. Okay? So it's really freaking fast. They're focusing on decentralized web, like being a plugin in Chrome where if those main like browsers got too like authoritative or totalitarianist, download this browser, boom, now you're in decentralized, like a decentralized, true decentralized browser, not built off of Chrome's base, no nothing. You know, the thing is that this thing is really new. That's also an inherent risk, right? But they just got their white paper together, right? The team, I think, is in Russia. So they need pretty much help with like marketing and stuff like that. But this is an interesting one. I'm going to dig into it more. I can't say that I've dug into it 100%, but I will when I present that info to you on the video. So interesting. Full transparency, I just made a purchase of this thing yesterday. Okay. So I wouldn't bring you something I'm not personally investing in, but doesn't mean you have to. There's always another bus coming from the bus station. I just want to share it with you guys. But yeah, enough of that, right? I'll get it all up into it next this week. Let's see. Chris Miller, Balancer has such high potential, matching Uniswap's current market cap would put Bal over 2,000. Yeah, Balancer. I mean, why not? Why not? Like, people go like, I know it caught some heat earlier, Balancer. It's been lagging some of the other, like, DeFi protocols, but why not? Like if other ones can do it, why can't it do it? You know? I always thought that. I just look at things that are lagging and be like, well, okay, why you guys hate this thing? And I see if why they hate it is legit. And if it's not, I'll buy it because I think they're just tripping. Bouncer, that's always kind of been my thought process with it. Like, hey, why don't you guys like this thing? Oh, you don't have a reason? Okay, I'll buy it. 38 people, what's up? Please revisit your EOSTA. You did a great job on it recently. Wondering what you think of current movements. Also, did you sniff out bullish global documentation? No, I haven't. You know, like so this is the problem, Chuck, with how I run my channel. It's also what I think is it like uniqueness, but it's like I'm always looking at different blockchains. So I gotta get refamiliarized with what's happening with EOS. Because I take my attention away, I put it on OXT, put it on Wanching, put it on WASP. But like, I'm always moving my attention. So I gotta catch up on it. But I will when I bring that video out. But as far as the TA is concerned, yeah, I'll give you an update. It's been like 2 months since I did the bullish. That's crazy. 2 months since I did a bullish video, man. Like, I don't feel like that to me. I'm always making videos though, so maybe it's just running it together, you know. But EOS, check it out, guys. I'm gonna show you right here, right now. EOS, it's got a lot of haters. The more haters asset has, the more it's gonna get drugged down. But look, it gets drugged down. It's low. It's a higher low. It's going back up. It's grinding up. Look, this area right here is going to be a beast. Once we get past this area right here, it's going to be much easier to get up right here. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not worried about EOS. I expected this for EOS. Why? Because EOS is like the cryptocurrencies world's most hated coin, along with XRP. Sorry about it. As long as there's haters, people are going to have a negative sentiment. People want it to fail. People are going to dump on it. People are going to short it. People are going to do a whole bunch of stuff. But hey, at the end of the day, they play their game. I play mine, man. I know that EOS isn't dead. EOS has a building outside of Washington, D.C. EOS got, I guess, called a non-registered security and then given a waiver by the United States government. Nothing anyone could say can shake me off of that understanding of what's going on behind the scenes. Because most people don't understand what's going on behind the scenes. If EOS is going to die, why they get a waiver? Why they get $500,000 from West Virginia to build a building outside of Washington, D.C.? Why are they focusing on ProFi, which is like DeFi, but regulated and like transparency and all that? Don't know. But as far as like TA is concerned, let's check it out. Look, it did its first breakup. It came back down. It showed us that it can get up here to $5. It's grinding back up. Okay. If this thing was going to die, it would look like an L. It'll keep going down. It would be flat. No. Look, it's just going to get more and more violent. The impulses will get more and more together, closer together, until the shorts, people hate on EOS, can't hold it back anymore. But right now they're holding it back. Right now they're holding it back. I can't even lie about that, right? So again, I hold on my EOS. I took a Bitcoin loan out to get into EOS. I'm in EOS. I'm up on my position. I'm happy with that. Like macro investing is more, it's easier, guys, when it's a process. You don't sweat it. Like, we're not oracles here. I ain't in the Matrix. I ain't the oracle. You're not the oracle unless you are. I don't know who you guys are. You know what I'm saying? Like, you invest in the use case. You invest in the tech. You invest in the community. You invest in the DApp. You invest for a reason. Then you stand behind it. Because it's more or less like you saw it in your mind's eye. You know what I'm saying? Is that too existential for you guys? But you saw it in your mind's eye. You see the potential. You see something people can't see. I see that. And I'm not going to be shaken off it because most of those people aren't visionaries like that. You know what I'm saying? You guys are. That's why at this channel, you have a gift. You have a gift. But don't let those people that don't have the gift convince you that you don't got it. Because they're going to shake you out of some money. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Wan is unstoppable. The beast awakens. Hey. Wan's going to take a lot of people by surprise, I think. When's doing it? 41 people in the chat. What's up, guys? An hour in? What? Journey to heal, well, health, love. Blessings, young Master Dub. Hello, Padawan. Welcome. Sit down. What are you drinking? Welcome to the Wolf Squad. I need like a... You guys know of any like coffee heaters? Like a little plate you put on your desk and it keeps your coffee hot? Because these live streams be long as hell. Dude, that WAN chain thing is so cool. My bottle? Or my video? Either way, thanks. Ubisoft is working with Square is huge. Huh. I haven't heard of that. What you talking about? Lucas? They're working with Square? How so? Also, what's with the background, mate? You used to be a bartender? I don't know, man. It's better than my other one. I got like 2 images right now. I could do more. You know, I could do more. You know, but like right now, I like it. I like it. It gives me that Raoul Paul vibe, you know? You know, Raoul Paul, Real Vision. It's like, you know, you feel it, then it becomes thing. It's like one of those things. I worked as a bartender for 6 years pre-COVID. Dang. Dang. So you can make those Moscow mules, huh? Shake it up a little bit. Like that. USTA, please. Hey, Chuck, I just went through it, but I'm going to hit you guys with the video next week. Like this coming week. It's been way too long. It's way overdue. I do admit. My bad. My bad. But I'll give you guys a good video for sure. You like the bullish one? I'm going to do it like that. The bullish video is pretty good. You guys like those conspiracy videos? Like tie some things together? I like that. Seems to catch on pretty well. Oh, and hey guys, so the MHC coin that I told you about, they have 33% staking right now. That's pretty badass. Pretty badass. Can analyze Crow, the news, and chart look on fleet thoughts. Yeah, we just looked at it, Charlie T. Crow looks hot. It could, I mean, the next leg is probably up to the all-time high. Crow has obviously its own utility. It's very useful. The debit cards I hear are on point. Yeah, Crow. It's just kind of like, what do you guys think about the high supply on Crow? Wasn't it like 9 billion? Seems kind of high. But hey, what news does Crow have? I didn't see any news. I just looked at the chart. Let me know. You can also rewind it after I finish this and check it out. Commenting on investing. We work for cash flow. We invest for wealth. Wolfpack is doing it right. There you go. There you go. So guys, look, like when it comes to like wealth and stuff, I've read like every book or tried to. I used to like drive. I used to work by like LAX. You guys know anything about Southern California? That's like the worst traffic in the world before COVID. You know, and like I had a lot of time. I listened to a lot of books on wealth, building wealth, all that. And that's right, guys. The reason you work is to have recurring income. You invest to grow that nest egg that'll like eventually make you not have to work for income. Then it's throwing cash. It's called throwing cash off, like throwing cash off of like your investment. Use it like for a business or like some kind of passive yield, like a dividend paying stock, a staking coin, which is like in my mind the new version of a dividend paying stock, like something like that. And yeah, if you're not growing, guys, you're dying. You're dying. Gotta grow. If you're not growing, you're dying. Always remember that. I also like really encourage you guys to look into getting into like online into blockchain, because like you're here watching my channel, but hopefully you guys are getting smarter from it, you know, and watching all the other channels you watch, you're getting smarter from it. You guys know a lot more about blockchain than a lot of people ever will. Hope you know that. Like everything I know was just me nerding around online until I realized like, hey, I know a lot more than some people. You can be valuable to other people. You can grow a brand. You can get involved with blockchains. You could get involved with business deals. You can do it, you know? Like empower yourself to like, and challenge yourself. If you're not in blockchain, hey, This is a wide open industry where there's a lot of opportunity for a lot of new people. A lot of people need to learn about blockchain. You guys are in a very, very interesting position. Don't don't undercut what you know, undercut your experience. You guys know what these things are. Bang, you already know 90% more than everyone on earth. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Have you looked at Ikami or Omi? Yeah, we have. Actually, someone dropped news about Omi and Ikami on our live stream like 3 weeks ago before it went, or 4 weeks ago before it went big. Like that's a big deal on NFTs, right? Yeah, I think the dude, guys, Ikami, I think the dude who made like a bunch of franchises huge like Pokemon, he joined them and their NFT platform. Let me just show you guys because it's interesting. NFTs. I was listening to Gary V today, Gary Vaynerchuk, talk about NFTs. You guys seen him talking about like the NFT space and all that. He thinks is the future. I just want to understand what he thought. And he was basically saying like NFTs are like, whenever there's going to be a new Pokemon set, no one's going to make cards anymore. They're going to go straight NFT because that's guaranteed rarity, right? The main thing with collectibles has been counterfeits. Same with fine art, counterfeits. NFTs get rid of that, right? So like anything with any platform that focuses on NFTs, as long as it's like quality, because I don't believe in all NFTs, because you know maybe I'm just old like that, but like I think that's cool. It's a great way to get exposure to NFTs without actually holding NFTs. You don't gotta guess. You ain't gotta like find the next Beeple. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta be involved and get exposure to it. The economy is going up. It went up from less than a cent to 1 cent. So that's hot. Volume's building. Currently, it's on BitMax and Bit4X. And let me read it to you guys real quick. 46 people. Wow. Thanks for showing out for DubDigital, guys. I appreciate it. Kami claims to create the world's best platform to purchase, protect, and collect premium licensed digital collectibles using distributed ledger technology. Well, that's not a very good explanation. It's 1 sentence. But that's the gist of it, guys. It's going to be a marketplace. Just like LandChain's going to have a marketplace. Just like Gods and Chain's going to have a marketplace using Immutable X. They're about to come online with that. They're going to have their own card trading marketplace too. There's going to be all these NFT marketplaces. You could either buy the NFTs or you could own part of the marketplace. And I like owning the marketplace. I cracked myself up. Hold up. I'm going through puberty again, guys. Let's see. Coinbase is valued at around 100 billion IPO in the next few weeks. What the hell, man? 100 billion, guys. That's crazy, man. You know what? That put me in the mood for another article. Let's get to it. This is an interesting one. This is an interesting one, guys. Don't leave. I know you guys be leaving when I be reading articles. What the hell? Hold up. Reported volume for top South Korean crypto exchanges surpasses that of the country's stock market. Getting me hyped up. I hate the stock market. Just kidding. I know some of you guys like the stock market. I'm just kidding, guys. But like, look, the increase in volume came as the price of Bitcoin rose to a new all-time high, more than $61,000 Saturday. And I don't know what the hell this is. It's definitely not South Korea. The volume of transactions in South Korea digital currency market briefly exceeded the daily average transaction amount of the country's stock market on Sunday. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the combined 24-hour volume of major South Korean crypto exchanges, Upbit, BitThumb, CoinOne, and Corebit, was more than 14.6 billion on Sunday. On Friday, the same metric was roughly 14.5 billion on the Korean Composite Stock Price Index. Blah, 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 I don't care. The increases in volume came as price of Bitcoin rose. Okay, where the hell is the good stuff? Whatever. Okay, so basically whatever, guys. My bad. But basically, South Korea is going ham on crypto. It's going so ham on crypto. People are buying more crypto than stocks. That's unheard of. Actually, I think they're ahead of the curve. Because let's be real, stocks are going away. Stock market's going away. They're going to sell tokenized shares of a company on a decentralized exchange. That's the future. So, like, when you really put it in perspective, I mean, every country should be trending this way, if you ask me. What do you guys think? What do you think? Zcash got NYDFS approval. Was that recent, Chris? Because I thought they were all good to go because they're on Coinbase, they're on Gemini, they're everywhere. Zcash is everywhere. So was that recently, or are you talking about previous events? Time to go to church. People deucing. Peace. Ami is set to hit Uniswap this week, I believe. That's tight. That's tight. The centralized exchanges are going to be fighting Bullish Global next. Oh, so is Bullish Global like, is it like a decentralized exchange? Like, what is it? Sounds like it's like ability to swap back and forth between coins if it's going to be challenging centralized exchanges. Hey, but is that why they bought bullish.com? I gotta look into it. That makes sense. Sean Smith, what up, Dub? How you doing, Sean? Mark just starts spamming the coin he wants. Man, yeah, I've watched Bam, man. Let's look at it. $14. Hey, Band does look hot though. You know, I was talking about Band right here when it came down. And that, guys, that's what I do. Like when markets come down on my channel, I don't sit there and tell you that the market's down. Y'all, you know the market's down. You don't need me to tell you that. Like, I'm here to like say, hey, this looks good. This looks hot. This looks good. Like, let's focus on the positive here. You guys could be depressed over there by yourself. We're here to make money. And there's always a time to make money. There's always a silver lining. I'm going to help you identify that. Not financial advice. But Band, look. Start talking to Band around $6. Now it's about $14. I like this big cup and handle. This is a cup and handle, guys. This is a big cup and handle. Look at that. Shot up above, came back below. Now it's doing this again. It's probably going to grind up, make a shot up, and then bang. We got the volume creeping in ever since the drop. I like that. Band looks hot. Oracle solution, 100 million coins, total supply, and has a bunch of partnerships, guys. Bunch of partnerships. A lot of how do you say? A lot of blockchains that need data feeds, like DeFi blockchains that need decentralized Oracle solutions to bring outside data from the real world into the blockchain. They're not just stopping the Chainlink, guys. I know some of you guys love Chainlink, but they're not just stopping at Chainlink. Some of them have 2. Some of them have 3. In case the other ones mess up, they go down. They become, I don't know, something happens. They're building redundancy in their systems. Band is always like being mentioned next to Chainlink. And I see some protocols come out just saying Band. And then now we got other ones, right? So like Pack Global, which is supposedly be the decentralized data oracle for the Flare network, which is turning completeness to XRP. See, guys, there's not going to be one. Every ecosystem's kind of having its own. It's adopting one. It's making their own. They're sharing all of them. All right, guys. Band. Mark, that was a good look. What's your point of view on OXT? Will it reach $2 before end of March? I don't know about before end of March. Like, you guys know time is not my best strength. I've gotten timing wrong before. I'm better with the overall direction, but hey, look, we know we have the private summit coming up. You know what? I'm gonna pull up for you guys. You guys are homies. I'm just gonna get you a little hype. Get you guys a little hype. We got 46 people. I gotta get you hype. What the? Let's check it out. Orchid presents private virtual summit on digital privacy. I talked about my last OXT video. March 23rd to 25th. Today's the 21st. It's coming up in 2 days, Tuesday. So I'm trying to line it up for the release, the start of the summit. My video comes out. Eric Snowden speaking. That's all you got to know. Zuko Wilcox, Audrey Tang. And who are these people? You don't need Snowden. You don't need me to tell you about Snowden. Audrey Tang, she used to work for the Taiwanese digital minister in charge of social innovations. So she worked in like the branch of government for Taiwan for a little bit. We got a bunch of people, right? DigiCash, Mojo Nation. Okay, you got people, all these CEOs and stuff, right? So basically, these are people who have vested interest in decentralized internet, in a decentralized VPN, and all of that. These people are pretty powerful people. They're important people. They're probably not free people to talk. They're probably going to mention something in terms of OXT because there hasn't been a lot of news surrounding OXT. Tells me that they're probably saving it for a good time to bring it to the light. Now, DubDigital, why are you saying this? You don't have any basis to think this. You're just like thinking this. Okay, but I'm thinking as like a business person, right? If I had a company and we had a limited amount of resources to do things with, market, develop, all that, and I host a summit where I have a lot of interesting and influential keynote speakers coming, wouldn't it be my best interest to save the juicy stuff for that time to maximize its impact? I think it would. When I put it that way, I think it would. But for the OXT price, we looked at it. Go and rewind the live stream. You can check what I have to say out about it. But I will say this. Right now, we're right above price discovery. We're probably going to come down a little bit, touch that point, or go a little bit below to make a handle. Then we're going to go higher. We know at some point, OXT is going to explode like 400%. Whether it's this month, whether it's delayed until April, I don't know. You know, but like, I still got all my OXT. And I'm going to hold until it happens. Can't hate me on that. I'm at least being real about that. You know, I don't know about like the end of March, but hey, we're in price discovery. We're in freaking price discovery. We're almost at $1 right now. Last pump, OXT went up 400%. So to get to $2, that's just a 100%-ish increase. It's done 4 times that before. And they didn't even have Stone talking about it. I don't know. I get my face all scrunched up when I'm trying to make a point. You know what I'm saying? 40 people, what's up? I need more coffee. Chris, yeah, Decentraland's going to be huge. Hey, especially because they made a grayscale trust for Mana, which is like the cryptocurrency for Decentraland. You guys been to Decentraland? It's pretty cool, man. They do like, they have like their own version of Vegas in there. You could actually gamble there for like crypto, which is pretty freaking tight. Satoshi's Palace, I think it's called. They got a bunch of stuff. They're making a university in there. I wanted to get a spot in there. They have a Crypto Valley, guys. Matic Network has their headquarters in there. I think with a few other people, like Game Credits is in there. People are just building their own communities. I know, like, there's a large Chinese community in the Dragon district. You guys should check it out. It's really cool. It's really cool. So I haven't tried it out with VR, but I was thinking about getting like a spot we could do meetups in there. I mean, you know, that would seem fun. What do you guys think? Let me know though, because it's an investment on my part. I gotta shell out some cash to do it. But if I have a big enough demand, I think that's freaking dope. I think Decentraland was built for stuff like this, for communities like ours, for the Wolfpack. You know, I mean, especially because of the pandemic, we can't really meet up in person. We could meet up online, and more than a couple of you can do it too. We all could do it. I think that's tight. What do you think? Is it too weird? I don't know. Did you do BitTorrent yet? No, I didn't. I didn't mention it though with Kim.com. With Kim.com's like involved in BitTorrent, I believe, right? Like Bitcoin Cash and stuff. But no, I haven't done Bitcoin like BitTorrent a video on it yet. You could check it out though. It's been popping off. BTT. Less than 3 cents. Woo! It's been popping off. What's the total supply? Is almost a trillion. Wow, that's a lot. But where can you get it? Binance, Bithumb, Huobi Global. Okay. So guys, this thing is way, 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 way up in price discovery. See, like, I don't touch that. It's not that I don't think it's a good project. It's just like I was sleeping. It's okay, guys. It's okay to say you're sleeping. Okay? We ain't perfect here. Like, I was sleeping. I slept on it. I missed it. It's all good. Another bus is always at the bus station. You know, that's the take I have. But if you love BTT, if you're in BTT, freaking good job for picking this sucker up. It went from, I don't even know. Can't even measure this thing, but it's hot. That's hot. I like that. I like that a lot. But if you want to get into it, go ahead. You know, like if you're FOMOing hard and want to get into it, you can. I call it getting skin in the game, where you put some in. It's not like a killer amount. It's not something you laugh at, but it's like not a killer amount. So when it crashes down, like it probably should at some point because this is super parabolic, you're not too mad. You could also add to your position if it drops down. But if it doesn't, you're in it. You're not freaking out. You're not crying. You're not in the fetal position, right? Like that's not a good look. I don't have any sandbox. Let me get the TA and FA. Hey, Charlie T, I did a video on sandbox. Go to my altcoin playlist. I did a video on sandbox probably like 3-4 months ago where I'm talking about it. So I did it already. Go check it out. I already have that. Pat Global is the oracle for Flare Network. You don't have a pen. You didn't have a pen last time. They more than doubled. Still looking to high bit true end of the month. Yeah, Pat Global. Yeah, I remember that one. I remember to see. Yeah, Plaid Global sounded tight. Let's check it out. Oh, 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 look at that. It's going up. Hey, you know, this was hot. We talked about it last week. Some of you probably capitalized. Some of you didn't. I didn't capitalize, but hey, I probably won't capitalize because I missed it. I'm not showing you guys. Look at this sucker. Look at that beast. Good vibrations, I think, brought it to us. That was a gem, though. That was a gem. Big supply, but seems like people don't freaking care. But like, notice, guys, look at this. There's no volume here. There's no volume here. So all this was probably from one or a couple entities buying this sucker up. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Now it's what? 1.6 cents. Interesting. Will I get into it? Probably not, man. You guys know how I get down. Like this is, and I know, guys. I know some of these assets are quality. I get it. I know. They're quality. DubDigital, you idiot. You're missing out, bro. Why are you doing that? Why don't you just jump in? You're an idiot. You gotta have like some framework and some standard as to why you get an asset. I don't buy high. Will it go higher? It probably will. It probably will. But I don't buy high. Why? Because that's not what I do. That's not the investor I am. I know exactly when I get stressed out. And when I get stressed out, I do things I shouldn't do. And when I do that, I lose money. I don't do things now that get me stressed out. I work all around how I feel. Will this make me get stressed out? Yes? Then I'm not going to do it. Why? Because I know myself. You know, you got to know how you operate. Because you guys should really not be doing the things that stress you out. Because when you do, you get all emotional, you make mistakes. You know, if you can buy into this and ride a big down, like for Pack Global, that's great. If it doesn't go down, that's awesome. You know what I'm saying? But like, know who you are and how you invest. It's not all about what the project's doing. It's also about how you're going to react to adversity if it comes into your life. Make sense? I got existential on you guys? Hey, whatever. Manage your benefit, right? Yeah, Mana should benefit from the trust, right? Yeah. What about Mana? Okay, you guys want to check out Mana? 45 people. What's up, guys? Let me get to 50 and I don't know. I just started talking. I thought I would have something in my head. It didn't work out. Mana, almost 10 cents. Wow. 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 That's amazing. See you guys again, though. I would expect Mana to come down at some point because this is all like a FOMO-y, hypey move, right? Can it keep going? It can. Will it keep going? It might. Is it probable? Nah, it's not. Right? So, like, if you miss a move, guys, if you miss one, you can always wait for it to come back and then you get in, right? Getting in down here, if it corrected, is much better than up here, right? The only risk you run is that it runs away from you and you never get in. But if you believe that, if you don't believe in lack, you believe in like abundance mindset, like there's enough to go around for everybody, even for you, even if you miss it. Hey, you start to look for those opportunities and it turns out to be true, right? Don't get that one-itis, man. That one-itis is going to trick you. It's that devil in your head, Hey, man, you missed your chance. You ain't never going to get rich. You're always going to sleep on the couch in your room, drop vodka for dinner. Nah, it's not true, man. There's always a bus coming from the bus station, right? So like Mana, it's good. It got that pump from the trust for Grayscale. That's great. Grayscale is gonna funnel money into like this trust. That's great. Mana's probably gonna go up. That's great. Will it correct from some awesome news? I think it might. But that's just me. 48 people. What's up? Chop Suey Swap. I love that song. Wake up, make up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know Chop Suey, guys. I ain't always about hip hop. I'm eclectic like that. But Chop Suey Swap. What the hell? I'm just gonna type it in. Are you messing with me? So many swaps out here. What's the ticker? I can't find it on CoinMarketCap. Hold up. My phone's blowing up. Just kidding. I'm not that popular, guys. I lost all my friends because I stopped going out and hanging out because I made a YouTube channel. They'll understand. I don't care. I got new friends. Yo, brother, I appreciate your video. I hope you see this. Do you think DGB will benefit from Humble Pay's app releases? Yeah, I think it will. Look, I always talk about DGB. DGB has a strong community, has no fiat on-ramps, almost, right? Only ones like Bitrex and a couple others. But it's no Coinbase, no Gemini, no nothing. So Humble Pay, I looked into them. I couldn't find too much about them, man, to be honest, because I was trying to put in my update, but I couldn't find too much about Humble Pay. But from what I understand, they're a big payment processor in Asia, right? And they're going to let you kind of do everything, buy, sell, transact, all that good stuff. DGB is included with that. Yeah, anything that helps DGB go up, money coming to DGB is great because right now it's hard to get money into DGB. It's hard to get money in there. So anything that helps it get in there is good for DGB. Look at ZellaPay. Look what happened to DGB after it implemented ZellaPay. That's just the Gulf. That's just like the Middle East out there. That's just Dubai and Saudi Arabia and stuff. Now we got Asia getting in the mix. Well, Humble, I think they're Asian, right? Like Singapore is area. Let me know. But that's hot too. And appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Much love. Damn, my phone is blowing up. My bad. Looks like Kyber's a good buy. Let's see. 44 people. Let's see. Hold up. Anything else? I think I have another article, but we'll get to it. The people like the crypto talk. I like that too. Kyber. KNC. Shoot. I can't spell. Hey guys, just so you know, I can't spell for anything. This is what happens when you rely on spell check all your life. You just never learn how to spell. But then you have spell check. So does it matter? I don't know. Looks like Kyber is a good buy. Okay, let's see. $2.72. Yeah. I think this next leg will be worth it. Up to $5. Right now we're at $2. That's 100. That's like 100x. I mean 100. How do you say that? 100% gain, right? Because it's gonna come back down. It might come back to $2, and well, it's right around that spot. See, this is like the resistance point. Now it's trying to turn to support. Once it like supports, it might come down a little bit more, make a cup handle, then go higher. It might stop there, grind, then go higher. There's a lot of ifs, ands, buts, candies, and nuts. But once more volume comes in, picks this thing back up, boom, right back up here, because there's not that much resistance right here. You know what I'm saying? I like Kyber Network, man. But like, look, it was the hottest thing since sliced bread in summer of 2020. Then everyone was like, Kyber Network sucks. I hate Kyber Network. I like Uniswap. Screw Kyber Network. And everyone forgot about it. Why? It was the hottest thing like a year ago. People have short memories, man. They got short memories. What's your opinion? Will OXT grow more? SN, yeah, I have a good amount of money in OXT because I think that, you know? I mean, we got the private summit come up. We just looked at the thing. Make sure to go back, rewind the live stream. I talk about OXT in the chart. We're not going to do it again. But, like, we got fundamentals lining up. We got a good product. Oh, like OXT, guys, I hope you know, like, some people are considering OXT a breakthrough in technology, okay? With probabilistic nano payments, which is pretty wild. I can't even really wrap my head around it completely. I still got to get some more research done on that. Some of these things are so crazy, man. I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm just a business dude. But you know, like probabilistic nano payments, we got CNET giving them an award, like along with other things like the CV19 vaccine, Apple's new processing chip, Wi-Fi 6 routers. Like the only crypto named by CNET was OXT. Now we got the private summit with big heavy hitter speakers. Look at the bones. When you're not convinced on the price action, the price movement, look at the bones. Because that's going to give you, you know, something to stand on, something sturdy, something rock solid. Even if the price goes up and down, you're like, okay, this thing fell down like 50%. But like, I know what this technology does. I know that it's important. And I know it's going higher because there's no one else doing it like that. That's why you got to do that research. That's what the FA is. The price action helps you finesse your way in, finesse your way out. The price action, I mean, the fundamentals is really what it's about. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't know anything else, but you understand what Bitcoin was, you could have just bought Bitcoin 5 years ago, held it, and now you got a lot more money. See? Smooths. I can't say that name. Can they compete with Brave on that note? Are you talking about MetaHash? MetaHash, yeah. So I believe so, because I know. You know, I gotta do some more digging on it. I just decided to do a video on it, so I haven't got into it like that. I did think about Brave browser, obviously, but MetaHash is doing something cool where they're using hashtags as their domains. That's freaking cool. Can they compete with Brave? Yeah, I don't see why not. Will people leave Brave for it? Maybe not. There's always going to be a split and people are going to have preferences in terms of browsers. But this is like a truly decentralized browser, not even built using Chrome architecture like Brave was. You know, I like Brave is because it really tackles the problem of advertising and decentralizes it. That's cool. But like MetaHash is like its own thing, its own blockchain. It's fast. It does a whole bunch of stuff, uses like hashtag domains, which I think is pretty useful. You know, that's stuff that Brave's not really touching, but I'm gonna differentiate in the video. Give me some time. I gotta marinate over it. I gotta think about it. I gotta outside, shoot some hoops, think about it, you know, walk around. I haven't done that yet. Give me a second. Hey Mark, you gotta stop spamming my thing, man. I ain't gonna talk about it if you're spamming my thing. Come on, bro. Mark, please don't spam the chat. That's right, Mark. I love you, Mark. Don't want to kick you out, Mark. BTC is going down like 45K slowly, though. You think it's going to go down to 45K? Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. I'm going to pull up TradingView. Because I got my thing up on that. BTC, USD, Coinbase. I like it. 50 people. What's up, guys? You're making me blush and stuff. Okay, this is my chart, guys. This is my chart. I like this chart. Maybe I'll do it later. Let's look at the weekly. Made a higher high on the weekly. On the daily, still, we have, I don't know. Let's do daily. It's better. It's better for me like that. You guys see it? Yep, 51 people. Wow, guys, this is a freaking, oh my God. This is a freaking record. I got 51 people. Dope. Okay, let's see. Just show you guys. This is me messing around. Okay. So Bitcoin was respecting that trend line for a while, starting to lift off. We started to see progression of that parabola, right? Why do I draw a bunch of bottom trend lines like that? Because it's showing me the increase of that trend line. It's going up. We'll do another one. And again, guys, this thing, like, look, we're sitting like right at this point, this previous cyclical high at February 21st of 2021. Okay. Can it fall down again? It could, but I'm not seeing a head and shoulders, and we're on the daily right here. We have a decline in volume right here, which could mean it could like do something like this, come down a little bit. And what they say, 45,000? It could come right back down here. This is like where we have some resistance happening, or not support happening. Let me get this. Okay. So look, this is a little messy, but we have the price lifting off from the bottom trend line. You can see the bottom trend line increasing. That's typical when the parabola starts to get into its, like, I guess we call it S curve, right? It's pronounced upward pattern. Okay. It could come back down here and test, right? If that happens, we're looking at a reduction of about 20% in Bitcoin price. That would be interesting because I wouldn't really see the pattern happening on this. You got to be worried of a head and shoulders at that point. But if it doesn't, we obviously see, like, if a big candle came through and pushed us up along, you know, increasing this, what do you say, bottom trend line. That'd be interesting. I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to keep looking at it. But I can understand why you would say that, you know, because, I mean, this is the real line in the sand for support. If the volume keeps bleeding down, that looks more and more likely. If the volume picks up, that looks less and less likely. Right? We're not sidekicks here, guys. We're analysts of charts. We look at the chart. We look at what's most probable. We react. If we get new evidence, we react. If we don't get evidence, we go the course. But look, like, be flexible. Be water. Bruce Lee. Be water, my friends. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But I understand. Volume's going down. Major supports right here. You think price will bleed down with decline of volume and then bounce off of this, and then volume will come in and pick back up. We'll see. But, you know, I'm more like Bitcoin, crypto, it likes to move in triangles, especially in upward trends. That's why I keep looking at, like, these bottom trend lines, because I want to see, like, which triangle is this thing going to take so I can plan accordingly. Because, look, right here we had a triangle. Right here we had triangles. This thing's full of triangles. So I'm just assuming that the future's going to play out much like the past. if we get this structure right here, we got to be really careful of the Head and Shoulders, right? Like lower, high, 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 lower, high. That's a signal of exhaustion. It's going to fall down farther. That'd be bad. That'd be real bad. 54 people. Wow. That's a lot of people. What's up, guys? How you doing? Hopefully that was cool. Rogue Nation, top 3 NFT tokens. Right now, like, hey, I'm self-admittedly not as in NFTs as I should be. I'm continually doing research on NFT like opportunities. But with that said, obviously Engine. Japan just like okayed Engine to be used in some stuff over there, right? Engine's a big deal. Then we got I mean, it depends, right? Like, what are you talking about? Art? You talking about gaming? Like, I'm into Gods Unchained because I'm a card nerd like that, man. I used to play Magic the Gathering. And that platform is made by people from Magic the Gathering, Riot Games, partnering with a lot of people. I like Gods Unchained because there's functionality in those cards, right? And Magic the Gathering has ties to crypto for Mt. Gox and all that. Ami seems to be really cool. It's blowing up. It seems to be really cool. There's a bunch of them too, like Abagachi, where it's like a Tamagotchi kind of thing. That seems to be pretty hot, or going to be hot. I know some people in crypto that are very excited about that project. Abagachi, check it out. What else, guys? Help me out. Like, I know I haven't done too many NFTs. Oh, Sandbox, Decentraland, Land. I think land, virtual land in these kind of ecosystems is going to be valuable, right? So whether that's Sandbox, where you get that land, you build games, people play it on your land, you make money off it, which gives you passive yield and income. You can do Decentraland, where you do like some kind of meetups, virtual meetups. You can put billboards in there, advertising. If you have online business, it's perfect. Like, it all kind of depends what you are doing and how you want to, I guess, how you would want to take advantage of this craze, you know? So are you like, identify what you like, because that's the investment you want to be in, right? The thing that you like, that you see the most value in. Is it NFT music? Irrelevant to you, put me on to, hey, relevant to you, can you post that project for that beats? Like, relevant to you, like, that makes music and stuff. And there's actually like a QR system for one of these protocols where you scan the QR and like the beat shows up. That's cool. That's an NFT. There's NFT art. There's NFT gaming. There's NFT land. There's NFT ownership, like real estate and stuff. Like, what's your vibe? I think Engine, though, is like the biggest NFT like coin out there right now, like in the subconscious mind, because it's like you use that coin to make NFTs within games. And it's, you know, it's one of the OGs. Hi, can you look at Bolt BTC pair? Give us your thoughts. Thank you. Just want to see real quick on this. Okay, USD pair. I mean, this thing looks cool. BTC. $47 people. What trading view say? Neutral? They're always neutral. Holy smokes. What is this? Hey, you know what? This pattern looks a lot like that HBAR accumulation. Huh. This looks a lot like that HBAR accumulation. Hold on, I'm going to show you real quick. See that? It's like drop, boom, and then this happened. That just gives me like the vibe of that. So look, there's not a lot to work with technically on this, because obviously we're in like a prolonged range of accumulation. Ever since that big drop, this thing never really recovered. But we do see some volume sneaking in here. I don't know what this thing does. What does it do? Like, because I don't have too much to work with on it. Let's see, Bolt. Bolt Global owns and operates Bolt, an interactive platform media ecosystem, Bolt X, a multi-blockchain. We also bring the best curated, high-quality content, live content on Bolt. It's because TV, live radio, and independent live streamers, which are broadcasted to our audience on mobile, web. Oh, so it's like a Theta. It's like an Odyssey.com. It's like a decentralized like media platform. Interesting. How much? Okay, almost a billion. Okay, so what are my thoughts on it? I think it's interesting. I think it might take some time to play out because it's pretty much right on the lows. So if you guys are looking to get into a project, you want to look at some more research on Bolt. I haven't done too much research on it fundamentally, but if you're looking to accumulate, we're looking to plant some seeds. This looks cool. It'll be interesting to see if it ever wakes up again, right? But assuming that it will, hey, it has made a lower low, like, from May last year to January 2021, it's made a lower low. But this looks a lot like the HBAR thing. It's not giving you a lot, I know. I'm sorry. Let's see if I can zoom up, see anything else. I mean, So it could break out probably mid-April or so, or a little before that. I think probably in a few weeks we might see something if something's ever going to happen on it. It would be cool. It put us back up to around, what was this game? It broke out like right here. Let's just say it right there. 150% or so. Where can you buy this? KuCoin. Cool. I like KuCoin. That's dope. Awesome. Thanks for putting us on. Appreciate it. 50 people. What's up? Elastos looking ready to test $5 again. Is it? Let's look at Elastos. You guys seem to like that Elastos video. It's a good project. You guys be bringing me fire. What's that now? Where's $5 at here? Oh yeah, that's gonna hit. I mean, it's only $20, 20 cents away. I think the main part is gonna be when Elastos comes up to like $9-10. That's when the party's gonna get real interesting, guys. Because in the next swing up, it's gonna take us to about like $56. Wow, and the top is 80. So just looking at that's a 20x back to all-time highs, guys. 20x. Where can you buy it? KuCoin. You can buy it on KuCoin, guys. I just got back into KuCoin. I'm Bitrex. But yeah. Cool stuff. If you don't know about Elastos, go look at my video on Altcoin Gems playlist. Hopefully you guys are digging through that playlist. Some have done well. Some, are still lagging. But I think that's a good jumping board. If you guys are looking to diversify, you sit on gains, you want to move things around, you want to get into projects that are lesser known. That's why I made the playlist. Keep you guys, engaged. Keep y'all engaged. Get out of Brave. I'm gonna buy it. Caitlin, what's up? Hello, everyone. Have you talked about HBAR yet? I can rewind if you did. Thanks. Yeah, we did, but I'll give you a little something. I'm gonna give you a little something. Like HBAR, it's doing fine. Like all the partnerships it needs. Like I'm not worried about HBAR. The only thing I worry about HBAR is technical risk. Why do I say that? Because I used to work at a technically inclined company, and I've seen things fall apart before. But that's not like it will. That's just me being a forever cynic. I think we all should be forever cynics at some extent. If you're investing in things, you should always be somewhat cynical, right? You can't paint everything with a rosy picture all the time. That's how you lose your money, But hey, HBAR, it'd probably be fine. That's just me saying, hey, there's always a risk. There's always an inherent risk. There's a risk with Bitcoin. Someone could come out and quantum hack the hell out of this thing, and it could get ruined. I don't know, but Hedera's doing straight. Tokenization is going online. Spencer Dinwiddie building Galaxy on it, his own blockchain solution. We got FPOS, payment processor in Australia using HBAR, maybe to issue their own CBDC. We got Boeing like in the HBAR Council. We got LG in the HBAR Council. We got Google in the HBAR Council. We got Denton's, the biggest law firm in the world, in the HBAR Council. I gotta go on. Do I gotta go on? We got Standard Bank in Africa, biggest bank in Africa by assets in the HBAR Council. I can't really help you guys any more than that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hopefully that was cool. Go rewind it. We looked a little bit at the price action too. You know, but like my HBAR videos are really popular, so I might hit you guys with another one. But I'm just catching up on the other chains, man. Like I've been lacking on those. I don't like that. I gotta catch up. Where can we stake MHC? I think it's on their browser. Like I downloaded their browser, but I'm still learning right now. I'm like gonna come out with that video, but I gotta hit up the homie to fuck because he's staking. He's running his own server, all that, and he's the guy who brought it to my attention. He's a follower in the Wolfpack, just like all y'all. I like this. I like how I have the Wolfpack bringing me these gems. But let me find out. I'm not staking mine right now. I just got it yesterday. But 33% is pretty interesting. Right? We got Brock Pierce back in this thing. We got the Ian from Token Metrics in this thing. We got a lot of people I ain't even mentioning in this thing. Not gonna tell you what to do or who to listen to. You know, not financial advice. But Martin, I'm gonna bring that to you guys. I'm gonna let you exactly know where it is, but let me find out first. So many cryptos, guys. I'm trying to keep up. Guess your tip to subscribers about that is paying off. Wonder if it will launch 500 to 1,000% and like all others have. Yeah, VeChain. See, guys, I'm not even in VeChain. See, like I hear a lot of stuff. I hear so much stuff I can't get into it all. You know, but look, I can look at a project and know that it has bones. VeChain has bones. Samsung, Sam's Club, China, Walmart. What else do you want? What else do they gotta do? VeChain could like exist just off that, but it probably won't just stay at that, right? Like it'll keep going. If it's successful, it'll keep growing. It'll keep going. It'll get more partnerships. People will use it. Maybe countries will pick it up. Like I'm telling you, like VeChain is a promising project. It's one that I wish I got into in 2020 when I was like dropping money all over the place, you know? But again, I'm not in it. Why? Because I don't like the investment that took an off already. That's not what you have to do. Think about your investment thesis. Think about your investment criteria. Do you have one? You should think about it. And then you should stick to it. You know what I'm saying? That's how you have longevity in investing. It's not about being the smartest. It's not about picking the ones that go up the most. It's the ones that most consistently get profits and keep those profits and grow those profits and rinse, repeat, and rinse, repeat. You know what I'm saying? 47, what's up, guys? Didn't Crow burn coins? I think they do that once in a while, right? Because I know Crow does it. I know Binance does it a lot. Maybe, hopefully, because they got a lot of coins. Hopefully they burn some coins. Not the Oracle, but Smo like the Oracle. I don't know what you're talking about. When do I think Doge will break about 10 cents? Man, Doge, what the hell, man? Hey, I'll tell you guys what. I bought Doge 2020. I sold it off right before the pump. I would have had like 13K. Who would have thought, man? See, like, even I do bad stuff. But let's look at Doge because, you know, I'm going to rub salt in my own wound. Let's see it. Hey, but you know what, guys? I love you guys, you know? Like, I want you guys to succeed. I try to give it to you guys straight. Hopefully you guys appreciate that, you know? But, like, here's the thing. People are buying Doge all-time highs, hoping that it will go even higher in its all-time high. Can it happen? Yeah, it could. But is it probable? No, it's not. Making money is a game of probabilities. You want to get rich, you got to play that probabilities game. Don't hope for a miracle. Do what's probable and do it over and over and over again, right? So when will it hit 10 cents? Probably after this accumulation, it might either round out and go up like right away pretty soon. That's super bullish for Doge if it does that. If it does this thing where it grinds, comes down, does this and this, starts grinding up, then go up. Hey, I think it's a matter of time. When it will occur? Probably by the summer, within the next quarter. DubDigital, what the hell? Tell me a date. I don't know a date, bro. I'm sorry. I don't know a date, But just looking at Doge has so much exposure from Elon, from TikTok, from all these people new to crypto who ain't never invested crypto, who think Doge is the truth. I think there's a good chance that Doge just, keeps tearing up. Will it get to $1? I don't know. Something tells me that, like, look, guys, I went to the first Litecoin Summit, and I met a bunch of people in crypto who've been in crypto a long time. I met some people who got stupid rich off Doge from last cycle. Now, you're telling me they're not heavy in Doge right now? You're telling me that they didn't buy for the last 3 years on the bottom with a lot of money? You're telling me that if Doge goes up to near $1, they ain't gonna dump on these newbies? Oh, they're gonna dump on these newbies hard. You know what I'm saying? So, like, just be careful. I wouldn't keep investing into Doge as it goes up. You should get a position, identify like a percentage you like, and pull like whatever makes you happy and let the rest ride. So if a miracle occurs, hey, you're in that move. But if it collapses like it probably will, you got your money back. Because right now, Doge is like creeping me out a little bit. Am I being weird? I don't know. Keep money working. Don't let it sit. Lend during bear market. Yeah. Bear market's great when you get into, well, last bear market was great when you got into fiat. I don't know about now because of like inflation and stuff. That's weird. I don't know how it's gonna work out, right? Because of inflation expectations, the Fed increasing its inflation expectations by 50%, saying it's gonna be 2% instead of 1.5%. But they said we didn't have any inflation, but now they have an inflation target of 2%. What? Huh? And if they measured it per how they measured inflation in 1970s instead of how they do it now, inflation would be closer to 10% based on shadow stats. You guys know about shadow stats? Check it out. That'll give you the real deal. But yeah, you want to keep your money moving. I wouldn't lend all my money because when you lend money, there's an inherent risk that you won't get it back, right? You got to be real about that. Find a percentage of money. You call it like your hot pot. You move it around. You're just like, it's your money you move around. You're like, okay, I'll get a little yield here, a little yield here, a little yield here. So you're always kind of growing it, But my plan in the bear market, guys, is I'm going to cash out a lot of crypto. I'll never get all out of crypto just in case the dollar does go to zip and then we go to some kind of crypto standard. I don't want to be left behind on that. But if that happens, you don't need a lot of crypto to be rich, If crypto is like the scapegoat or the escape raft, you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot because most people don't have any. So I'm probably going to keep like a third of my crypto, sell off 2/3. Then at the bottom, I'm going to buy up a staking coin, probably XTZ. And then I'm just going to become my own bank. And then I'm done. That's all I got to do. Good plan? I don't know. Oh yeah, I was also thinking about like, what do you guys think? Like, let's talk about what are you guys going to do with your money once you get it? Like there's opportunities now to make blockchain based businesses like Filecoin. You can set up a warehouse and I just have decentralized storage, like helping Coin, helping Filecoin, get paid in Filecoin. And that way you accumulate in the bear market, you're accumulating crypto by offering a service, and then you can sell a whole bunch of that money you made in the bear market in the next bull run. Like stuff like that. Like you can get creative like that. I thought about Power Ledger too. You guys know about Power Ledger? Because Power Ledger is basically decentralized energy. So the problem with like the grid and why we have surges because it all comes from one source and sometimes the demand is too much. That's why prices increase. Hey, if you live in Texas, you know all about that. Some of you guys be getting $10,000 power bills. If we had decentralized power, that wouldn't be a problem. And I think that's a trend in the future, right? So what Power Ledger does is you get paid in Spark, I think. People pay in Spark in order to get the energy out of your farm, your solar farm, your wind farm, whatever. Anything that's turning turbines to make energy, All you do is you hook it up to a module they slap onto your house. Other people get modules slapped onto their house, and then they can get energy from DubDigital over there, BitBoy over there, Mike over there. Like you know, that's tight. Think about what you would do if you came upon a lot of money. Like we think it will happen, right? You want to think about how you could make a business in it. So you're not just always getting capital gains, because in order to make money consistently of capital gains, you got to keep having money. You want something that just like breathes money into your life. You know, just like, oh, I got more money now? Dope. Like, you know what I'm saying? 49 people, what's up? Irrelevant to you. Everyone is afraid of regulations, but I think it'll be good for us because useless projects will be gone. That'll boost every other working and legit coins. Not talking about killer regulations. Yeah, it could. I have a thesis that the bull market's going to end with regulation, right? Because we know the government like usually goes harder in the paint than it needs to. That's going to start off being all kinds of strict. People ain't going to like it. People are going, oh my God, I got to get out of Bitcoin. I don't want to deal with this. You know, and over the bear market, they'll get like, you know, more framework, more understanding, get used to it, get a better feel. Then I'll lighten up, right? But like, I think the regulation would hurt the space right now, because like it's not in government's like best interest to keep it going, right? Because it's a challenge to them. Why would they want to help it? You know, I think they'll come around, but they usually tend to be pretty adversarial right off the bat. I mean, we see that with Ripple getting sued on the dude's last day in office. That's pretty aggressive, if you ask me. So I'd like that to happen, Irrelevant. I'm not saying that I won't. It's totally in the realm of possibility. It's just like, just from what I've seen from regulators, I don't look good. Ron K, what's the chain block, man? What's the ticker? It's not on CoinMarketCap. I don't know the ticker. Hey guys, if you want me to look at a coin, make sure to put the ticker in there, because I'm looking at CoinMarketCap. Curl 3.5 billion, Binance 40 billion, Coinbase 100 billion. Are those valuations like published valuations, Rogue Nation? I know that the Coinbase 100 billion was like around the price, but Binance 40 and Curl 3.5, where do those come from? Andrew Gibson, damn fees over at Coinbase. Hey, go to WANSwap. Go check out WANSwap. Just telling you. Gas fees are nada. Fees don't happen. It's just, you know, different selection of coins, but they're trying to grow it over time. Got to give them time. Connecting each blockchain takes time, right? They're working XRP now. They're going to get Polkadot next. The WANSwap team has voted in Monero, Hedera Hashgraph, Icon, and other stuff. I forget. Bitcoin Cash. You know, man, give WANSwap some time. It's going to be a problem for centralized exchanges, especially because they can't shut it down. Bcash is going to end alt season with a bang. Yeah, Jared, you're right. Jared's been looking at the roadmap of Kim.com's new app. What's it called? Oh, it's Kim.com. You guys want to see this thing? Hey, and shout out to my Bcash followers, man. Like, you guys are dope. You guys show me so much love on my one and only video on Bcash. I only gave you guys one video. I so appreciate that response. Awesome. Check it out, guys. Hopefully you guys don't have that, you know, that misconception about Bcash. Bcash is cool. Bcash is like Bitcoin, just layer one scaled up. Like, hey. Kim.com. K.im. Is it K.im? Yeah. Check it out, guys. 52 people on the chat. K.im, guys. So this is like the app that Kim.com's working on that uses Bitcoin Cash. The ultimate content monetization system, aimed to become the easiest and most secure way to generate revenue with digital content. So you guys see Odyssey over here, Theta over there. You got K.im over here. We got a whole bunch of these content creation platforms. They all use different tokens. But Bcash is a big deal. Why? Because every gold and silver broker accepts Bcash. They only offer like Bitcoin, like some take Litecoin, but most just take Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. We look at Grayscale, they offer Bitcoin Cash. We look at every major exchange, they offer Bitcoin Cash. We look at every Bitcoin whale, a lot of them got Bitcoin Cash. Just trying to help you see, guys. Check it out. Providing comprehensive suite of advanced services and technologies to manage, protect, and sell every digital content, K.IM aims to bring one of the biggest revolutions in the digital content distribution and monetization industry. Oh, that's a video. You guys want to see? I'm interested. It's not available. Jeez. Okay. Kim publishing platform enables digital content democracy, creators, publishers, control, consumers, choice, cryptocurrencies. Super fast and affordable payment services using cryptocurrencies. Hey, Kim, what's up, man? But look, this is what I want to show you guys. 45 people. They've done all this. Demo launch, payment challenge, R&D and prototyping, Lightning integration, Lightning Network, Liquid Network integration, testing and security audits already done. UX and UI and UX final integration, they're doing that. Next is the Bitcoin Cash integration, Q2 of 2021. That's coming up. That's the summer. I think that's what might take us back to all-time highs, guys. It's the reason I bring these things to you when I bring it to you. You know, I think that might take us back to all-time high, not financial advice. And then this platform launches Q4 2021. That's what Jared's talking about. Bcash is going to end altcoin season with a bang. Q4 2021. Winter typically is a very good time for crypto, especially altcoins. 2 and 2 together. Come on, guys. Know what I'm saying? So check it out. K.IM, Bitcoin Cash. A lot of people like Bitcoin Cash. Big following. A lot of people with a lot of money have Bitcoin Cash from the fork. Just saying. Economy trading on Uniswap this Wednesday. Tori P. Okay, that's dope. We'll see what Economy does. It should blow up. Anything on Uniswap blows up, guys. Okay. 88 consolidating. Hey, 88 just got on Coinbase. You guys see that? 88 is on Coinbase now. 2 hours already? What the hell? That was fast as hell. Hold up, I'm pulling it up, guys. $1.21. Yeah, I mean, hey, 88 had a great run. Great run. You know, yeah, probably like do one of these. Like, I don't know. We'll see how far it comes down, but this is expected. You know, look at this. It went all-time highs. It came back down, dipped below. Now we're sitting right above that all-time high back in 2017. Then it's really price discovery. It only got a little taste of price discovery, but hey, it's about time 88 got on Coinbase. Let's be real. Why did it take so long? Chris, no, the Zcash approval wasn't recent, but I believe it's the only privacy coin that's been approved by the New York Department of Finance Services. Yep. Like I told you guys, I don't think every privacy coin is going to go away. I think some are. The ones that go away are probably going to be really expensive, like really, really valuable and really, really sought after, but you can't really use it anywhere. Well, unless, you know, you're doing some stuff under the table. But Zcash, hey, I keep saying it. Seems to have the okay of the regulators, man. There's a lot of people and a lot of OG like crypto projects in Zcash, like one Roger Ver, one of the first investors in Zcash. Also a very early investor in Bitcoin. Yeah, see Silver, Crow has made a launch March 25th. You'll be able to hold your coins on decentralized wallet, hold your own keys. See, that's the same model Swipe's doing. You know, and guys, I haven't done a Swipe video in a while. Let me explain. So I was doing a whole bunch of Swipe videos. I might do a few more. But I had a bad experience with the customer service. on my card. Like my card got stolen out of the mail, and I ain't never got it replaced. Like it's been like a couple months, still an issue. So for that very reason, I am now designating swipe for me a swing trade position. I'm way up on swipe. Will it go higher? Yeah, I'm thinking like $10, $15 and higher after that. But you know, I'm not really thrilled about how the service has been handled. So this is just the me thing. You know, just want to be real. But crypto.com, they're doing the same like DEX kind of thing. Yeah, they're right. I mean, let's be real. A non-custodial solution where you hold your keys and your coins is much better than a custodial solution. That's the right move. Michael, EOS is the greatest risk and reward in crypto. Yeah. I've heard things about, you know, Profi, all that, but I also heard about potentially using it to scale Bitcoin. How would that work? I don't know exactly. But that's an interesting proposition, you know, with this power up model where it's letting a few people in the network manage the resources at EOS instead of everyone, because everyone doesn't have business managing resources in EOS. They're not technically inclined. My grandma ain't going to do it. Your grandma ain't going to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like that. EOS, not talked about a lot. The team moves in silence a lot. They do a lot of things, not publicized a lot. I just can't shake it, man. I just am not going to leave that position. What do you think about NEM and XYM? NEM, that's M, right? NEM is XEM. I think it's cool. I mean, that's a project that Jack Liu left. It seems to be doing hot, and I haven't looked at the chart in a while, but it looked like it was going to make a major leg. NEM's been around a long time. It's not a rug pull. Never will be a rug pull. They've been around so long. Hey, Crow gives you 20% for holding Crow? Whoa, that's kind of like Atomic Wallet. Oh, Atomic Wallet's doing that too. I saw that. AWC, I think. Oh, Tori P. Band is 17% staking on Atomic Wallet? Wow. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. DGB, please. I'll hook you up real quick. Really quick. You watched my video on DGB recently? Make sure to do that. I lay it out pretty nice, you know. DGB. Yeah, I mean, look, DGB came back, ran up above, and look how it came. Look, it ran up above, and look where it stopped. They're right here, no support, no nothing. Came right back down to where there was support. And it's like this level right here, like the 4 to 5 cent level. Then it bounced back up. See how that works? Markets go like, okay, we're in no man's land. Let's go back. Okay, should we be here, guys? And everyone's like, yeah, that's fine. Let's go higher. Now it's continuing. Charts have memory. DigiBuy looks cool. At some point, it's going to challenge the 15-cent level all-time high again and go above. Because DigiBuy has no business being under its all-time high. 7-year blockchain, 5 mining algorithms, pioneering like two-factor authentication with Atom ID, pioneering decentralized password managing with Atom ID, integrated into Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, maybe soon to be MetaHash. You know, like open source technology, giving all their secrets away. You know, like DigiBuy has moved in silence, gotten no recognition. DigiBuy deserves to be higher than this. Not financial advice. But come on, man. I've heard a lot of projects doing a lot less and getting a lot more exposure, a lot more price gains. Bancor is the best for passive income. You know, I heard that. What's the deal with that, man? You can stake and like no impermanent loss or something, right? I mean, yeah. I got into Bancor around here, like $1.80. Then I flipped it, got out, and got into something else. But like, yeah, Bancor looks hot. A lot of volume coming in here. Connect up with Thorchain now, so I think like liquidity, they got like endless liquidity. Jairus, Snowden is a CIA agent who is not a friend. All he did was try to discredit NSA. Those agencies have been at war forever. Hey, yeah, but if he pumps my OXT bags, I don't give a damn. Guys, I don't want to get all idealistic or nothing, you know? Like, hey, I'm about money over here. I'm about the money. UK in the house. What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you guys doing? You got great points? Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. 42 people still. That's crazy. You like Elastos? Yeah, made a video on it. Seems hot. 21 million supply. That's a small supply. Merge mine with Bitcoin. Will always have mining and hash support from Bitcoin. Even if Elastos falls on its face. World Economic Forum, like ties. World Economic Forums only work with a couple of blockchains, some being Hedera Hashgraph and Elastos, and a few others. I think Consensus. I think. Yeah, CRO 20% APY. 5 billion CR allocated for distribution for the next 10 years. Wow. That's pretty cool. Balancer and Uniswap LP tokens were just enabled to be used as collateral on the Aave lending protocol a few days ago. Huh. That's cool that they're using liquidity tokens now to be able to use as collateral. That's cool. Hell yeah, that'd be dope. I already made my avatar in Decentraland. I'm trying to dollar cost average into mana. I think it'll be huge. Oh, you talking about me getting a spot? Cool, cool. Yeah, let me know, guys. Like, I'm down for that weird stuff. I don't care. Like, hey, we're gonna go after this live stream. We're gonna go meet up in Decentraland and hang out. I'm down. That's tight. I feel like a lot of YouTubers aren't actually utilizing dApps, guys. And just so you guys know, like, blockchains are great. Okay, blockchains are what the infrastructure you build on top of, but that's not the end goal. You got to build dApps on these blockchains, right? I love blockchains. I love using dApps. I like using dApps better than apps because they're decentralized. I want to use dApps in my channel. I want to use them. You know, I want to show you how to use them. I want to bring you attention to dApps because, like, blockchains are the investment into the ecosystem, but the dApp is the utility that you can use. You know, it's not all about just buying and selling coins. It's like, oh, I can use this instead of my bank. I can use this instead of PayPal. I can use this instead of IM. You know, like, I'm trying to decentralize my life. Okay, Rogue Nation, difference between mana and sand. Okay, so Sandbox is like similar to mana in the sense that it's a decentralized ecosystem, like a gaming ecosystem with a finite amount of land. Like, so there's a parameter in the game, right? There's no more land going to be built. Whatever's issued is there. And once it's out, it's a non-fungible token. The land is a non-fungible token, so it can't be split up. So that means that the land is a scarce commodity. And the bigger the network gets in either of those, essential land or sand, the more busier it gets, the more activity in there, the more valuable the land is that you own, right? So Sandbox is like basically gaming. It's like you build land, but it's not the same thing. It's not like Decentraland. Decentraland's all about like advertising and meeting up. People actually host business like deals in there. People have their headquarters in there, like Matic and Green Credits. People have like communities. They learn things. They have a college. You're going to have classes in there. It's like actually interacting with people. Sandbox is about gaming. You go in there to go to the Roller Coaster Tycoon land, which we just looked at. And like you can go on like play games over there and earn sand. You know, you can go to Atari and play games and earn sand. The reason you would buy and build in the sand is because like it's like a virtual arcade. You know, if you had a land, you could build a game on it. If you build a game on it, people pay a certain amount of sand to play your game. That's income for you. It goes to your sand wallet. And in that way, it's kind of like your own little business. It's like you have your own little Street Fighter like arcade machine, right? People get like on the sidewalk, people walk, oh, what's this? Put some quarters in, they play, that's fun. They walk away. More people, what's this? Like, it's the same thing. You know what I'm saying? One's for like networking, one's for more like business, one's for like get-togethers, marketing, like art, gambling. Man is like all that. But Sandbox is the game part, right? Where you could easily more monetize. Decentraland, I'm looking at Decentraland because like there's a crypto valley and I can get a spot and then I could have like a DubDigital thing. And then everyone around the world be like, what the hell's a DubDigital? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like if I did that outside in North Hollywood or something, put a big billboard up, it's only gonna be the people in North Hollywood. If I do it in Decentraland, everyone in the world sees it. That's how valuable is that, you know? Leonard, it's all good, man. No worries. What's good? How you doing? Don't sleep on EOS? I'm not. Definitely not. Price prediction on WAN? I'm saying like multiple 10 from last all-time high. What did that WAN hit? Like $10? So if it was $10, then $100 a WAN. Is that crazy? I don't think so. If you guys have been in a crypto cycle before, I don't think so. See Silver, amen. Speaking the truth, managing emotions and sticking to your plan you set up before insane price movement. Yep. That's how you don't lose to the FOMO. Chris, I just don't understand why people are betting on Ethereum failing. My best investment are ETH tokens. I don't think they're investing in Ethereum failing, but I don't think Ethereum deserves to be like the only place where activity is taking place. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think people are coming to figure out that this Ethereum purist thought, like ETH is good, everything else sucks, is wrong. Because all these chains have been building and they have attributes that ETH doesn't have. You know, they're usable, they're functioning, they can be used. And at the end of the day, a blockchain, we're not falling in love with blockchains. We're just like looking at what can give me what I want at a price and transaction fee that doesn't kill me. You know, I don't think okay, people who are counting on ETH failing want it to fail. They want it to fail because they're invested in something else. People who want everything else to die and ETH to live want everything else to fail. They're the same thing, just different sides of the same coin. You know, the way I look at it is I'm at ETH, I'm in WAN, I'm over there, I'm over there, I'm all over the place. So in case whatever happens, I'm there. I don't care. You know? Data's been blowing up. Data went from 12 cents to $7. Data's been blowing up. 38 people still, wow. That's crazy. You want some of that high grade, bro? A bit slower than usually, brother. No, I'm not even. Not even. Why is Chainlink the only new grayscale announcement not pumping? Because Chainlink pumped a lot. Guys, like, how much you want these things to pump? Let me take a drink. Like, you know, how much do these things got to pump? You know, like, it's high already. The higher the market cap goes, the harder it is to move the price. You know? I mentioned game credits a month ago. It's taken off now, well undervalued. Yeah, I mentioned that to I mentioned game credits to my Wolfpack in my Telegram group, guys. If you're not following my Telegram group, make sure to jump in. I share some like more stuff on there than I do in my videos, just like what I'm thinking and stuff. It's just kind of like a but you just kick around ideas, throw things around. Make sure to follow me. It's in the description of my and pretty much most of my videos, I think. Let me know if it's not. I'm pretty sure it's there. Thanks, bud. I watch your channel. Oaks Tea is my fave from March last year. Yeah, Oaks Tea went up like a lot. Oaks Tea's cool. I think it's going to do well. Okay. Humble is dropping in 140 countries. Humble Financial is based in Asia. They just signed a country's right deal with Chile, and there's talks with exclusive rights with India, but that's not confirmed. Okay. Yeah, I think it will be good. Anything that expands in other countries and has DGB in it, it's good for DGB. Dub, I'm still a newbie. I'm trying to figure out the best wallet to store my OXT. Any options? Opinions? Yeah, I would. I do it on my ledger. You just send, like, if it's an ERC20 token, guys, like, you send your ERC20 token to your Ethereum account. Ethereum is an account-based blockchain, which means that it's able to, like, store tokens based in it within its wallet. So all you got to do is send that ERC20 to your ledger. The reason I say ledger, it doesn't have, well, anything that supports Ethereum, right? I like hardware wallets, which is like cold storage, not connected to the internet, so you can't get hacked. It secures your funds. That's what I do. I store my OXT in there right now. I Googled OXT and found oxtail soup. Now I'm hungry. God, don't you hate it when the internet does that to you? Yeah, wallets. So guys, if you're new to crypto, that's great. You got a Coinbase account, that's a good start. But we call this counterparty risk in crypto. Like if it's on an online account, if it's on your phone, if it's on your computer, it's connected to the internet. Something's connected to the internet, a hacker could get into your funds. Cold storage, which is like a Ledger Nano S, a Ledger Nano X, a Key, a Trezor, whatever. I like Ledger and Trezor, right? Trezor doesn't have as many coin options. Ledger seems to. But yeah, I like those because it's just one more added step of security on your crypto gains that you work so hard to get. It'd suck if someone came through, hacked Coinbase, took your stuff. I should do a video on hardware wallets. That'd be cool. I actually started a website a couple years ago on it, but then Google did this thing where they banned like crypto searches and just killed my website. It's getting some good traction and then nothing, zero for like years. We will have crop-chain support starting with the DEX aggregators. We can send orders to DEXs on different blockchains from BAT Telegram. This is huge. They should look at WANchain, man. Because you would just have to go through that DEX. But yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Anything that helps alleviate the problem of not getting from blockchain to blockchain easily is great. HBAR $10 probably. Maybe. The thing's going up a lot. Hold up. Underdog, what up, DubDigi? What's up? How are you? Reza, yo, bro. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. No complaints. How are you? Thinking of dumping most of my HBAR by $1. Kaylin, I was thinking of dumping most of my HBAR by $1. Got in at like 3.5 cents. Hey, look, you guys need to sit down with your investments, right? What are you in? Okay, and then you need to look at it and be like, okay, these are all my investments. Which one do I like a lot? Which one do I kind of like? Which ones are like, eh? You need to grade your investments. And then the ones you like a lot, you should believe in a lot. You should obviously see the use case, right? So you don't got to do this, but this is what I do. I let those run because I believe in them a lot. I let them run. I take that risk because in my mind, they're killers. Then the other ones, I'm like, I'll probably pull my initial off here, let the rest run. So I minimize the risk. And the ones that are really risky, I get all out. I make some money, I get out. Right? Then I just do it again. Make some money, get out. So you need to like grade your investments. So in this situation, if you're getting most of your HBAR out of $1, you kind of like it or it's an eh to you. That's fine. I'm not here to tell you how you should feel about an investment. I'm just here to help you try to think through the thought process of like, This is why I'm doing it. If you really believe in HBAR and you dump most of it, it's probably not, like it's not conducive to how you feel about the asset. But if you kind of believe in it, I understand that position, right? Samir, thanks, man. Yeah, I'm doing good, man. Doing good. My headaches went away and all that. Reza, bro, could you say your strategy and taking profit on some coins? I'm on 3x profit. I don't know what to actually do. Yeah, Reza, sit down with your coins and be like, you know what? This is gonna be a killer. I'm gonna let it ride. Or you could pull profit on it. What that percentage is up to you. But what I like to do is I like to let a lot of it ride. I just pull the money that I put in out. So say I put 1,000 in, it goes up 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20 times. I pull 1,000 out. That way I got a whole mess of it left. I took my money out. If it goes to zero, I lose zero money. You know what I'm saying? Like you wanna get free lottery tickets. There's some I haven't pulled any. I haven't pulled any HBAR. I haven't pulled. Well, I pulled some Bitcoin. I haven't pulled any Zen. I haven't pulled any Zcash. Like there's a bunch of them I haven't pulled. But like that's my prerogative on those coins. It's not like all one rule fits all kind of thing. Gotta look at it. Do I like the project? Do I see it has backbones? Do I see it has like all the makings for greatness? Yeah? Then what do I want to do with it? Do I want to let it run? I understand the risk if I do let it run. It might go to zero. I lose all my money I put into it. Yes. But, if you went up 300%, 500%, and you're not quite sure, you're new to crypto, ain't nothing wrong with taking your money out. Then you have that money. You can put it into something else. And that's how you move your money around to compound your wealth faster and faster and faster and faster. So if you have 300%, why not take your money out? And then you're sitting on a bag, and then you could use it again. And then it goes up 300%. Then you take your money out. And then you have all these bags just moving for you that are freaking free. That's how I like to get down. Kaylin, Reza, I think it all depends on what accumulation phase. 10x would be the place where I usually start selling. Yeah, see, 10x usually is like a historically significant investing percentage, right? Like it's called a 10 bagger. Like in other like industries, that's rare. In crypto, it happens all the time, right? So yeah, hey, if you're confident in a project, maybe let it run 10x, and then pull your capital out, then let the rest run. Some of these projects though are so early in their moves, even if it's gone up 10x, and you've got a 10x, that just means you're early as hell. You know what I'm saying? So you can either get a 10x, pluck it, look for another 10x, pluck it. And that's how you multiply your money. Or you can invest at the trend like I do. I just look at, okay, I'm going to minimize my investment risk by pulling my capital. So if this stuff goes to zero, I don't lose that much money. I let it run. Trend investing tends to outperform like active trading unless you're really good. But it also has more inherent risk because I'm holding on to asset longer. More things could happen within that time. Like, hey, it's all what you want to do. But I do agree, Caitlin, like 10x is like, you can't argue with 10x. Even if you cut your gains short, you can't be mad at a 10x. Have you heard anything about NASA using HBAR? I did hear a little bit about that. They released a document, right, talking about Hedera Hashcrash DLT stuff. That's interesting. That's really interesting, especially because it came from NASA. Guys, I used to work in the space and defense industry my previous life. I worked at Northrop Grumman and all that. And like, I know NASA. I know people that work at NASA. I presented to NASA regularly every week. And like, whenever they put something into stone, that kind of dictates contractors to do what they say. Depends what they say. I haven't read the article or whatever, the document. But are they saying that, they're preferring Hedera? Like, that's interesting. That's real interesting. Because I used to work for a contractor to the government of NASA. I know they may be mandating stuff. Are they gonna mandate people to use like military and space application to use HBAR? That'd be dope. That'd be super dope. Rogue Nation, first cycle, I'm learning quite a bit about crypto on a daily basis. Much appreciated. Anytime, man. I don't want to see you guys get hurt. It's not cool. It'd be good if a lot of good people got a lot of money. You know, I think the world would be better. Reza, do you think we're at the middle of alt season? No. I don't think alt season started. A little bit. It started a little bit. I have a feeling summer's going to be dope. Summer's historically dope during bull runs, you know? And also on the Bitcoin dominance chart, I showed all the time, really hasn't made a big drop. It hasn't made a big drop I've wanted. I'm waiting. I'm still sticking to it. I think it's going to drop hard. And when that happens, alts are going to boom. Because, guys, look, if we're deep in altcoin season, how come there's still alts under the all-time high? And they're quality alts. Quality alts. Like top 10 or 11 alts. Like Bitcoin Cash. Top 11 altcoin on the market cap? Way under all-time high. No. That's a sign that it hasn't happened yet. Have I looked at Flare Network? Yeah, I have. You know, I'll probably do a video on Flare because I'm getting the airdrop. I'm sure a lot of you are too. Like, I've looked at some videos. There's not too much content on it. I think it's a great time for me to make a video eventually about Flare Network. But I think it's cool. Let's see. Jared, 100 grand pays you out 3,500 a month lending. Where? I gotta know that. Where are you talking about? Wait, when do we sell again? Joe, that's up to you. That's all you, man. What are your goals? You know? I mean, honestly speaking, I'm not gonna sell a lot of my crypto until probably winter. You know, and towards the end of the year. That's not financial advice though. Y'all can do whatever you want. Can you explain altcoin season and the relation with bull and bear markets? Yeah, we could do that. Let's just pull up the Bitcoin. I'm gonna show you right here. It's gonna be real easy. Hold on, let me get right. Get this volume up. Don't matter none. Let me get you off real quick. All right, we're ready. Okay, guys. So everything runs in phases, right? There's good and the bad and the good. There's no black and white. Everything's kind of gray in life, right? That's the same thing. There's a yin and the yang. Same thing with bear and bull, right? There's opposites that create an equilibrium, right? So basically, you're either on one or two sides of an asset every single time. You're either a bull, which means you're confident asset going up, or you're a bear. You think the asset's going to go down. One thinks it's undervalued, one thinks it's overvalued. Markets move in cycles. They ebb and flow. And because of that, sometimes the bears control it, which means the market goes down. Sometimes the bulls control it, means the market goes up. Most of the time, the bears are in control because look, this is the last bear market. We went an accumulation, right? It was about 1,000 days. It's multiple years. But every once in a while, we get this happening. This is 2017 bull run. Now look, this thing was about 231 days or whatever. Probably even further because it's so small I can't see. About a year. So one is 2 to 3 years bear market. One's about a year bull market. So that shows you that the bull markets happen less frequently, but when they do, they're explosive as hell. Okay? Right now, we just finished one of those bear periods. And hey, we're not even into like about a year. Let's say a year. 65, 365. Where did that put us? This is kind of rough, guys. I'm just looking at it. But that's about October of 2021. That's towards the end of the year. That would be about a year for the bull to top out. Bull markets are much more explosive. It's because there's greed involved. Greed is a very, very powerful emotion. That's why people FOMO in. They keep buying, boom, drops out from under them. Because everything moves in cycles, man. Ebb and flow, right? The tide goes out, comes in. Goes out, comes in, right? So the tide goes out, bear market, comes in, bull market, goes out, bear market. You know, it's not all one way because nothing in life is like that. Make sense? Okay. Hopefully it makes sense. Reza, bro, what happens to DeFi these days? They are all going sideways for a long time. Yeah, that's what happens when assets go up a lot. They go up a lot really fast, just off hype and FOMO. See how that works, guys? When people get very overzealous and they start like getting greedy and throwing money in because they think it's so easy to make money, it goes up and it tops out and it falls down. The market takes longer to like accumulate and like rebuild and breathe and get ready for another like higher. Whenever something like moves like pretty periodically, like okay, like the accumulations are less because it's moderated. It's like a moderated move. It's like rational. When things are irrational, they just go ooh, ooh. And then people get really hurt, really burned. They lose a lot of money. They get really pessimistic on the asset and it goes sideways for a while, longer than typical, because people lost a lot of money. And it takes an idiot to get burned and go in and get burned again. They don't like that, you know? It's all psychology, man, you know? So when you see like a blow off top, like on Doge or something, the one day Doge corrects, people are going to lose a lot of money and Doge is probably going to go sideways for a long time. That's what happened with OXT. People got all up in OXT from Robinhood. They got burned. They started crying. Then I picked it up at 25 cents. See how that goes? It's not like you're playing the market all the time. You're playing other people and their psychology. If you see someone making a mistake, pumping this thing up to the sky, you don't go and join them and jump in. You wait for that to collapse on them, and then you buy it. You know what I'm saying? These times when it goes sideways, it's good for you if you buy bottoms. You know what I'm saying? Tashuma, what's up? What's up? How you doing? Chris, once BTC starts going sideways for a while, I think coins will skyrocket. Yeah, BTC has to go sideways because if BTC goes down too far, alts get dragged down. If BTC goes up too high, people sell their alts, FOMO into Bitcoin, and alts go down. BTC is born and goes like this, alts explode. That's the dynamic. Coin flip lunatic. You guys like 88? I FOMO'd into the Coinbase news and it's not working out so well. Yeah, hey, you live, you learn, right? You live, you learn. It's not a problem. It's not a mistake as long as you learn. Never forget this, right? But like, hey, I like ADA. I also got in at 30 cents. I like ADA. You know, there's a time and a place. Time and a place. You guys find yourself FOMOing after coins? Why? There's 1,000 coins out there. Go on CoinMarketCap. Go hunting. Go check it out. Go take a stroll. Get that FOMO at your head. You know? There's always something about to leave the train station. You know? It's good to be cautious, of course, but in my opinion, this year is the start of mass adoption. The CEO of Visa said that cryptocurrency is going to be extremely mainstream and is working to enabling. Yeah, you know, but what does that mean? Does that mean that crypto is never going to go down? Because people always tell me this. They tell me like, oh yeah, there's no bear market coming. But like technically speaking, why? Like I understand the fundamentals. I get that. I get it. But why? Show me the technicals. Why that this pattern that's played out over and over for the last 10 years would just stop? Like that would mean the dollar goes away. That would mean that governments institute cryptocurrency as main payment. Like those are possible, but I'm not banking on it. You know, like technically, why? That's why I need help understanding. Chris, I'm a holder of BCH, but the things people say about it make me uneasy. Why? What's wrong with BCH? I like BCH. Polygon, PundyX. Hey, PundyX is killing it right now. Polygon's killing it. Polygon's like up 20x for me, man. Man, I didn't get into PundyX. I could have, but I just slacked. I slept at the wheel. I missed it. It's all good. Another bus is coming from the train station. Rogue Nation. Well, 88 went up a lot, yeah, but it's still just barely above price discovery. Look at SNX. Look at all these DeFi coins. Look how far they went up above price discovery. A lot, right? 88 is probably going to be cool. If 88 is not banging like double digits by the end of the cycle, I'll be surprised. I will. IOHK, Charles Hoskinson, big money. Jared, great show, Dub. Have a great day. Peace. Hey, I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Wabi is a sleeping giant. Okay, I'm about to stop, guys, but we're going to check Wabi out because, you know, I got to put you on the sleeping giants. I think I've seen this before. Okay. 100 million coins. Where can you buy it? Liquid, Binance. Wabi ecosystem connects brands and consumers, enabling a seamless, fair, and confidential exchange of value and information. Consumers participating in the ecosystem take advantage of the several tools designed to better inform their consumption choices and are incentivized with Wabi. Consumers redeem the tokens at a dedicated marketplace where they can purchase thousands of unique products delivered to them from across the globe. Interesting. So Wabi looks cool. You know, it's just like doing its thing. It's 36 cents. All-time high was $5. Was that 15x? All back to all-time highs? That's dope. And this is back in 2018. So this is almost from last cycle pretty much. Wow. And this did this in 2018? This thing shot up in the heart of the bear market to $5. It 5x'd. Wow. That's interesting. Let's see. You guys can't see it. My bad. Okay. Also notice when coins spike up on the chart. Anything 2018, 2019, hey, if it went up a lot during that time, that's some strong move. Because like everyone hated crypto at that time. But the one thing I do notice is there's no volume here. I mean, a little bit. This could just mean that it's really, really, really early in its move. Wabi looks cool. 100 million cap supply. Thanks. Any other giveaways coming? Yeah, there is. I got some more BCH from the BCH community. So whenever BCH pops off, I'm going to be giving away some BCH. And once I get some more YouTube revenue coming through, I'm going to just do some giveaway just for fun. But, you know, we building a channel still. Yo, you should really look into AMP token if you get this far. I appreciate your streams a lot, by the way, Dub. I appreciate that, man. AMP. Hey, that's the Venus sign. What the heck? Huh. Okay. How many? 93 billion. That's a lot. What is this? AMP is described as new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurance of any kind of value transfer. Huh. Well, okay, that looks sexy. I like that. That's like a nice accumulation pattern right there. Where can I buy it? Uniswap, BitREX, Gemini. Gemini? Whoa. Okay. This looks hot, guys. This looks hot. If you're looking for a momentum play, this might be cool. Oh shoot. NFM is making an art gallery in the central land, and the art can be bought with ETH. Huh. That's cool. I like that. See, I was thinking about doing that too, like getting with local artists in the LA area, like doing a 50-50 split. I market and give that like, you know, the NFTs and kind of like put on artists, kind of like have my own art gallery. I thought that would be cool. There's so many possibilities, guys. Like, try to think about how you can leverage this new technology. You know about this, no one else does. This is early days. Start trying to wrap your head around that. How am I gonna be part of this revolution? How can I build a business in this? You guys are pioneers, man. You belong out here. If WAN increases, will WASP also increase? What do you think? I don't understand the relationship between these two prices. Okay, so it's pretty easy, right? You know what Uni is? It's an Ethereum token, right? You get that? So the Uni token is an Ethereum. Ethereum is in Uni. The Uni protocol and the Uni token is built out of Ethereum. It runs on Ethereum, but they're two separate things, right? So basically, like, think of, in this situation, WAN chain, which is the blockchain that WASP, the WAN swap, is built on top of, right? So it's like the medium that is built out of. But that doesn't mean that WAN swap is WAN chain, right? This is the infrastructure. This is the protocol. So WASP is like WAN chain's Uni, in a sense. It's a DEX, right? And WASP is like a share of that DEX, decentralized exchange. Imagine you had a share of Coinbase. You had a share of a bank, right? You have ownership in a bank. You have say and sway of what that bank does, what that decentralized exchange does, right? So if you have WAN swap, basically means that like the coin's price appreciates as liquidity goes into it. But yes, if WAN swap increases in value, that means if WAN chain increases in value, that means that money is leaking into the ecosystem. More money in the ecosystem means that money will most likely leak into the protocols on that ecosystem, right? So like think of the money coming to WAN chain from other chains, Polkadot, XRP, everywhere into WAN chain, right? WAN chain's price gets bigger and bigger and bigger. As people stay in the WAN chain community, they'll start looking around the ecosystem and be like, what else is over here? Oh, WAN swap? Cool. I could trade chain to chain? Cool. And some of that money that came into WAN chain will start leaking into other protocols like WAN swap. You know what I'm saying? Make sense? Hopefully. Dub, DigiBuy looking good on the charts. I say about 7 days if everything should go right. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's why I want to get a DGB video out there, man. And guys, if you don't know Script Skynet, he's like big in the DigiBuy community. One of the best DigiBuy channels out there. Does a lot of interviews with people in the community. So if you want to get in deep into the DigiBuy community, know what like people are doing, what's happening, what's coming down the line. He's involved with like people on tech, getting all kinds of people on there. Make sure to follow Script Skynet. Really good dude. By the way, which bar are you at? Man. Casa de Dub. Casa de Dub. Thanks for taking the time to talk with us. Ain't no problem. Hey guys, I'm gonna get going. I know I didn't get through all the comments. I'm getting a lot more comments now. But anytime. This is what it's for. This is the community building part. I know you guys got like questions. And my videos are just so to the point. Sometimes like I don't give like the life advice in terms of like how you navigate emotions in like investing. How like just go searching out like random coins. Because like I'm not doing like daily content like a lot of your other YouTubers are doing. Like a lot of my videos take a long time to process. I don't have the time to just sporadically make a video because Bitcoin's pumping. Oh my God. Like, no, I got to plan it. I got to research it. I got to put it together. I got to edit it. I got to polish it up. Like it's quality over quantity. So with these live streams, I appreciate you guys joining me and spending so much time with me because this is where we could take care of all the other stuff. I don't know what to do on this or, like I got ideas. We could talk about it. We could hash it out. But also if you want to, talk to me more, I'm available. Go join my Telegram group, the Wolfpack. We got almost 100 people in there now. And we got people from every chain, Hedera, LandChain, Swipe, all over the place, man. And they are very involved in their blockchains. They share their findings with us, who are not always that involved in the blockchains. They keep us up to date. I keep them up to date. We all keep each other up to date because y'all are looking at things I'm not looking at. I know this. I'm only a dude with two eyes. I'm looking at things y'all are looking at because you guys are probably busy doing stuff, living life. You know, we can help each other. That's what the Wolfpack's for. Make sure to go join. But until then, guys, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Talk to y'all later.